Hello everyone and good morning. Today is 4th of November. It's 11 a.m. IST and this is the agenda which you all are here. We all are gathered to understand or to learn the Docker. Are you agree with my point? You are excited to learn the Docker in the today's session?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Cool. Good. Okay. And guys, this is a live interactive session. I want you to just follow the small rules. If you want to talk, just unmute and keep it yourself on a mute. I will get to know. Or you can raise your hand. I will call your name and we will talk. That's it. Simplest rule, nothing else. Okay. And it's a live interactive session. It's not a webinar. You can unmute. You can switch on your camera as well. It will be more interactive for us. Cool. Okay. Now, first question first, sir, what exactly we are going to do? We are going to do the Docker and Kubernetes in this weekend. Docker for today, Kubernetes for tomorrow. Straightforward answer. Okay, cool. Now the biggest question, sir, who are you? Why you are doing all these things? We are from Cloud DevOps Hub. I think you all know us that we are from the Cloud DevOps Hub community. What exactly it is? It is a community of cloud and DevOps engineers. From the hub, it's called as a community. You all want to become cloud and DevOps engineer, we can make you the cloud and DevOps engineer. We are from the community. We have 53,000 members in our Facebook group. We have 7,000 followers in our Instagram. We have 8 to 10,000 members in our WhatsApp community. We have 1,500 or 1,000 plus subscribers in the YouTube channel. Okay, sir, where is all these links? We want to join this. Definitely. If you have any question, you just have to go to my website. My website is clouddevopshub.com. In this website, you will get all the details. Let's come down. Okay, let's come down. Sir, where is all these things? Here is the information about us. If you will click on this link, join our community, the link tree will open where all the links, whatever you are able to think, whatever you are not able to think, all the details will be here. First link, our website. Second link, if you want to come to our WhatsApp community, you can just click here. Third link, if you want to join our Facebook community, just click here. As soon as you will click here, you will able to see that 55,000 members in our DevOps community. And yes, we are the person, we are the Cloud DevOps Hub, we are the top contributor, we are the admin for this community. Okay. Second thing, let's come down. If you by chance in the next time you miss the way how you have to join it, there is a link always here, the Zoom link. You can just click here. The registration form will be open. Just provide the name and you can join us. If you want to see something more information about our Google reviews, batch congratulations group, Google search, definitely everyone will do the Google search. Let me only do and show that what Google is saying about us. Okay. If you will go to the google.com, just put the Google Cloud DevOps Hub. You will first, our website will come. In the website, everything will be visible into this place. 25 reviews are there, 4.8 rating is there. Okay. We are basically from Bangalore as well as Indore. We are physically available as well as online available every time for you. We have a YouTube community. You can go into this place. You can go to our LinkedIn page. You can come to our Facebook. You can go to our Instagram, and so many other information is available. So the thumb rule, you can just go into this place and you will get all the information, whatever you are looking. Okay, cool. Now, you know about us. Definitely, I am 100% sure you know about us. Are you agree? Yes or no? Say yes, no, please.
Yes.
Yes. Right?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Good. Okay. Why we are doing all these things? We can learn independently also. Okay. We have to work independently. We can learn independently as well. But if you face any of the problem, if you struggle, if you're not able to solve any of the problem, you will leave that thing at that point only. That's why we are creating a small community, or we are creating a group for the learning purpose. See here, if someone will ask the question, okay, if someone will ask the question, other person can listen the question and his one answer will get prepared. If you face a problem, other person can help you out. I will be help you out. The professional person will be help you out to get your issue resolved. I can show that. I can prove that. Okay. Let's assume I'm going to my WhatsApp. Okay. We are straightforward dealing with the WhatsApp. Okay. If I'm coming to the WhatsApp, okay, here, this is our batch 32 community. Here you can see that one person today only, not, I don't want to go in the history. Okay. I'm coming into the today's only. Okay. Someone has messaged that, Victor, is this working or not? Means someone has question. We are every day we are learning the practicals. We are doing the practicals. I'm just opening some link. Okay, let's see some links are working or not. Whatever my students are developing. Okay, every student is developing. See, it is telling it is working. Thanks, Victor. Someone is telling that it is working. It is not working. Okay, it is working on means everyone is developing the things and they are checking that it is working or not. Okay, see here, my one of the student he designed the online resume as well. Okay, we are teaching in a group. Okay, we are doing all this activity and students are doing the same thing in front of everyone. Okay, so what I want to say that if the issue came, it is getting resolved in a quickly way. Okay, so that's why we are creating a this type of small groups. See, if any of the issue will happen, see sometime, see, yes, I want to know why it is not running into the mobile phone. It will take some time and it will definitely work. Okay, so what I want to say that issue, if any issue will be there, it is getting resolved in a quick time or quick duration. That is the way. Means it's not like that 11 a.m. in the night, 1 a.m., 1 p.m. Every time 24/7 you will get a support into the WhatsApp group. That's a call group learning, and that you will get it with us if you will join in our community. Clear? Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 Okay, because see, if you are alone, if you face any of the problem, where you will go? You don't have the answer. You will left that topic and you will say that, sir, Docker is very tough, cloud is very tough, AWS is very tough, and you will say that, yeah, it is not working. Okay, but I want you to learn into a group so that solve others issue, because someone is working into the real time, someone is mentoring you, someone will refer you, and you will get a community for the same intention of people. That's a cloud DevOps hub. Cool. Leave it. Yes, guys, I will take care of all the questions, whatever is in your mind. Why, what, when, how, everything. Just give me some time, listen from me. Okay, and I will give an opportunity to you to unmute and talk with me anything, whatever you want. Okay, cool. First thing first. Okay, what is Docker, what is Kubernetes, why we are learning this? If I will give an opportunity to person who really knows what is Docker, can anyone unmute and let me know what is Docker? Simplest answer I need.
Docker is one of kind of a container where we can store our exe file and transfer, and after the completion its work, it's get automatically destroyed.
No. Akash, your answer is kind of correct as per the understanding, but if you will give this answer into the interview, no.
Like
Next person. Guys,
Docker.
please raise your hand. Guys, please make a habit. Raise your hand. If possible, switch on the camera and give the answer quickly. Yeah. Yeah, Vaibhav, go ahead. Yeah, Ganesh, go ahead.
Like Docker is basically a through Docker. It is a tool which through which we can make containers.
Correct. This is correct answer. Okay. With the help of Docker, Docker is a tool. With the help of Docker, we can build, we can run, and we can ship our application in form of containers. That is called Docker. Simplest answer. Docker is a open source tool. Docker is a open source tool. You can install Docker in any of the virtual machine, in any of the cloud or any of the server, and you can use this software to create your application in the containerized form. Means in simple definition, Docker is a container development tool. Okay? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes,
Now,
correct.
next question. What is
Yes,
Kubernetes?
sir.
Okay. Next question. What is Kubernetes? With the help of Docker, we can create a container. If we create 100 container, if we create thousands of container, independently management of this container is not possible. Okay, with the help of commands we cannot able to create the containers, we cannot able to manage with the help of Docker. So we need a container management tool, that is a Kubernetes. If you will see the logo, guys, just concentrate on the logo has been created with very meaningful way. This is a ship, this is a ship who is bringing the containers and going from one place to another. That is Docker. Okay, this ship can manage or can create multiple containers. That's it. With the help of this logo, what exactly it is selling? It is the management of the ship. Management of the container can be done with the help of Kubernetes. In simplest form, Docker will develop the containers, Kubernetes will manage the containers. If it's 100, if it's 1,000, 10,000, it can be managed with the help of Kubernetes. Simplest. One more thing I want to ask with you guys. Okay. Anyone heard about the application or company Netflix? Everyone, right? We know Netflix. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Right? Cool. Do you know how many containers are running per day into the Netflix application? Any guess?
4,000.
Okay. Anyone else?
5,000.
Okay.
I
Chalo.
guess in lakhs.
Chalo. Let me give the answer. Not let me. Google has to give the answer. Okay. Netflix is launching 500,000 of containers and this 22 lakhs clusters per day. 500,000 of containers per day it is telling. Okay. Is that possible? 500,000 of container can be managed by human being with the help of commands? Not possible, right? Are yes, no?
No.
Not possible.
No, sir.
Impossible.
No.
You cannot run this many commands to manage the containers. That's why we need this tool Kubernetes. You get a little bit idea in the 5 minutes what exactly the Docker is, what exactly the Kubernetes is. Are yes, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes.
Okay. Now, with the help of this tool, what we are going to do? We are going to learn with the help of Docker, how the images has to be get created, because someone has told that we will run the containers, but how the container has been created? Container will be get created with the help of image. Sir, now the new question came, what is image? Can anyone give me the answer? What is image? What is
It is the
image?
snapshot of a container.
No, wrong answer. Don't give this type of answers into the interview. Okay. In front of me, it's okay because I can correct you. Yeah. Next person.
In Docker terminology, image is a software.
It's
No.
a collection of softwares.
Collection of software. Don't say softwares, applications. If you will say collection of applications with operating system, that is called image. Is that
The
okay?
packaged version of OS.
Yeah, packed version of operating system, that is called image. This answer is correct. Okay. With the software, with some application packed in a form of some format. Okay, that is called image. That's it. If you will run this image, then it will become a container. If you will run this image with the help of Docker run command, it will become a container. This container you can run anywhere. You can run in AWS cloud, you can run in Azure, you can run in Google Cloud, you can run in the on-premises of Kubernetes cluster, anywhere, doesn't matter. Okay. Now the another question will come, sir, how this image will be get created? Biggest question, yes or no? How the operating system has to be get created? How the application has to be get created? Guys, you are getting this question? Able to understand the question? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
If this is a question, the answer is the Docker file will be there. In the Docker file, some set of commands will be written. I will teach you because I told that I will make a Docker or I will make a DevOps engineer. So I will teach you how to write these commands. It's not a big code. Okay. It's just a set of commands. If you are able to understand the 5 lines of command, you will understand the Docker file. Okay. Then with the help of this Docker file, the code has to be get written. The code has to build and then the image will be get created. You can save this image into the Docker Hub or some other place, and then you can pull and you can run and you can create a container and you can run multiple application anywhere. This is our agenda. In the today's class, we would like to understand this in a deeper way. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is our today's
Yes, sir.
agenda. Cool. Now, sir, whatever you are teaching, yes, we will provide you the 24/7 support. Whatever the recordings, whatever the documents we will provide, it's a lifetime. Definitely, yes. Okay. We will provide you the trainings in a live interactive way. You can always unmute. You can always talk with us anytime. Okay. Tips and tricks related to DevOps, Kubernetes, Docker, DevOps tools, everything we will provide it to you. If you require the training certificate, definitely we will provide you the training certificate as well. Resume making, interview preparation, everything we will take care. Cool. On a very high level. Okay. Now the question is, sir, why we have to learn Docker and Kubernetes?
Sir, I have a question here.
I haven't teach anything. What is the question?
No. Actually, I'm planning to do a certification in Kubernetes actually. So I'm working for a company. So they asked me to.
Pawan, can you park this, Pawan? Can you park this personal question at the end? Is
Yeah,
that
sure.
fine?
Okay.
Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Because
Thank you.
see, everyone is interested to learn the Docker here. Are you agree, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So definitely I will give the answer. Okay. If I will not give the answer, don't allow me to leave this meeting. Okay. I will
Okay,
give the
fine.
answer, but after one. Okay. Or as soon as
Sure.
my topic will become complete, then we will. Cool. Now, why we have to learn the Docker and Kubernetes? Biggest question. Okay. If you want to learn something technical or something in demand technology, if you are planning to learn something which is a technical, which is in demand technology from the 2023 and onwards, and if you want to improve your profile from now itself in the year of 2023, then this software is good for you. Why? Let's assume you don't know anything. You don't know anything. Definitely, I will teach you. I will help you out. I will teach you the Docker and Kubernetes, and I will give a big overview. Big overview explaining everything is my responsibility. Okay. Why we are learning this? Because it is in demand. You know, that's why you are here. Okay. The demand in your company, it is getting used. That's why you are here. You know, one more point. It is because of learning this Docker and Kubernetes, you can ask the high package. Are you agree? That's why you all are here. In my one message. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone
Yes,
agree,
sir.
right?
Yeah.
For this we will agree, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, I agree.
Because you know the things, you know that yes, it's in demand. Companies are using, in your company it is using. Because after learning this, you will ask the good package, or even after learning today also, at least you will get a good idea what exactly the Docker and Kubernetes is. Simple answer, again I'm repeating it. Okay, Docker is a container development tool. Build, run and ship we can do with the help of Docker. Container is a container orchestration tool. Earlier I was telling management is a good word, but if you are asking 2 lakh or 5 lakh extra package, then use the keyword orchestration. Kubernetes is a container orchestration tool. Simply, it can create, destroy and management of the container on a high scale. What do you mean by high scale? We will not do one container management or 10 containers. We will do 1000 containers or 10,000 containers in one shot, or with the help of one approach. We will manage the high scale containers. It can be into the million also, can be managed with the help of Kubernetes. Okay. Container. Now the next question is coming, sir. What is container? You are telling again and again. Container is a application which allow you to build, your application and ship from one place to another. Means you have an application, this application you can move from one place to another. In that form, we will call as a container. Okay. It has a dependency. In the container, you can install the software, you can put your operating system, as well as whatever the dependencies or runtime, Java, .NET, Node.js, binary, whatever is required, you can put all the softwares, into one package. That package is known as container. I'm explaining you in a different way as well in some couple of seconds. Okay. This is a very good idea for the deployment with the help of Docker. Sir, we are not able to understand. Design everything. I'm ready to design the thing. Okay. Because you all are came for the learning purpose. So it's my responsibility to teach you in a simplest way. Now, my question, I have a, or someone has a Java code. Okay. You have a Java code. If how to get the war file or jar file with the help of Java code? Can anyone give me the answer?
We can
Maven.
use Maven tool.
File or var file. Okay, you will use some tool Maven, or you will build it and then you will get the build build with Maven. Okay, if you will build with the help of Maven, you will get a var file or jar file. This is your application. Code has to be written by the developer. Code has to be built by the developer or DevOps engineer, and at the end you will get a var file or jar file. Are you agree? Yes or no? Simple.
Yes.
To run this var file or jar file, what all things will be required? Can you give me the answer? Straightforward, simple answer I need. To run this var file or jar file, what all dependencies will be required? Guys, give the answer. We are 100 people
Compiler.
here. Yes.
Compiler.
Compiler. Okay, not an exact answer. Yeah, okay,
Java, sir.
compiler. Or any other answer?
Java runtime, open JDK.
Runtime environment, yes. JRE or JDK will be required. JDK will be required. Then only you are able to run this war file or jar file. If you don't have the JRE or JDK, you will not able to run this Java file. Correct?
Yes.
If you develop this in Java version 7 or Java version 11, okay, then definitely you require the 11 JDK or JRE, because Java is a very conscious about the version. If your versions are not mixing, it will not work. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
What else will be required? JRE, JDK is required. What else? Some configuration will be required. Okay,
Server.
CUNFIG, the configuration will be required. Some operating system will be required. Okay, or some more things will be required. Some binary library, because binary library, all the things will be required. And who know all these things? Who know all this part? Obviously your developers knows these things,
Developer.
right? If developer will not provide, this all information, you will get to know. No, right? Are yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
No.
we will not get to know. Okay, now has been developed into the development environment, and now the requirement came, this software or this war file jar file has to be deployed. Let me write it. This is a dev environment. Okay, dev environment. Somewhere I will create a QA environment, QA people environment, and I will create a production environment. Okay, I am creating a 3 different environment. Okay, now the day came, this is work and running, everything up and running. Okay, developer give this to the QA people. QA people face the problem. He take the help from the developer. Okay, he take the help from the developer. Okay, help from developer and fix all the problem. Okay, and it worked. And then testing people say that yes, all good, all fine. Yes or no? Whatever the problem came,
Yes, sir.
whatever the problem came, developer help him and all the problem has been fixed. QA people say yes, it is up and running, all good, let's do into the production environment. Yes or no?
Sir.
Everyone agree with my point? So what will
Yes,
happen?
sir.
The deployment day came, this application has been moved into the production environment. Now production people are there. Okay, that is operation people, support people. Okay, support people, operation people. Okay, or so many other teams, monitoring teams. Okay, they will do this deployment, and if this is not running, our deployment will be failed and people will struggle a lot. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, and then the production team, QA team, and development team managers fight with each other, and they are not talking with each other. Developer is telling, why should I help you out, because this is not my work. QA people say it is working in my environment. Developer is also telling it is working in my environment. Why it is not working in your environment? Guys, now tell me the problem, why it is not working into the production environment. I need the exact answer. Yes, why?
Sir, come again with the question.
Why it is running into the dev environment, it is running into the QA environment, why it is not running into the production environment? I need an answer. Why?
Sir,
Configuration.
because
Yeah, girls,
Configuration
come up.
problem.
Yes, go ahead, raise your hand.
Dependencies.
Yes,
different versions are using, sir. Means if developer team use the Java version of 11, but the production, the QA team does not know whether he is also using the version 11 or he is else something he is using different version.
superb. Your understanding is good. Okay, your understanding is good. Version, dependency, library, configuration, this many problems will be there. And they are telling that the problem is into this jar file. But this jar file is absolutely correct. Okay, there is no problem into this jar file. This is absolutely correct. But the problem is version, dependency, library, configuration, JDK, JRE. And they are unnecessarily blaming that your build is not good. Right? This is a very common problem in every organization. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So the solution came, instead of moving this jar file, var file, don't move this jar file, var file, create a container with everything. Create a container, pack the jar file, application, compiler, JDK, JRE, operating system, configuration, binary, library, everything, and move this container from one place to another, and definitely it will work in all the environments and it will never get failed. Good idea? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
We
So
can
this is
create an
called
image out of it and move to the other
correct.
environment.
Yes. Okay. Create a container. Okay. Or create an image. Chalo, let me go very specific. Create an image. Okay. And move this image from one place to another so that failure chances will be 0. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
This can be achieved with the
Yes,
help of
sir.
software Docker. Docker can do this activity for us. Now you understood what is Docker?
So means Docker is
Yes, sir.
adjusting everything like versions and dependencies, all everything.
Docker will bring everything packed in a one container or packed in a one image, which can be achieved with the help of software Docker. Docker can pack jar file, var file, compare, JDK, operating system configuration binary into the single build or single image that can be achieved with the help of software Docker. Cool.
Yeah. But if you are shifting to the QA team once development done, and we'll send that image to the QA. So means after the QA will transform it in the image. So
QA will
the
do the testing of the application. If all looks good, he will say yes, looks good. Same image has to be deployed into the production environment.
it
Failure
won't get
chances.
affected to the versions and configurations.
Everything we packed, everything full environment itself is packed. I will give an example, guys. Listen one more example. This is mobile phone. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Seller is selling this mobile phone. It's a OnePlus phone. So OnePlus team is packing everything like camera, speaker, headphone, screen, whatever it is. Yes or no? Everything he packed and giving to you, then it is working. If he will give you all the parts separately and he will tell you to, sir, assemble by own, it will create a problem for you. Yes or no?
Yeah, right.
Agree?
Yeah.
Creation of assembling is very big problem. If they pack everything, hundreds of components are there. If they pack everything into the single box, it is working there, it is working in my hand also, I am happy. If they will say that, sir, it is working, I will open everything and I will give you all the parts, assemble it by own, and then definitely it's a problem. If you will not able to assemble by own properly, then you will say the phone is bad, this phone is not good. Agree? Same concept was happening 3-4 years back into the IT. Docker came, Docker told that I will pack everything and I will give it to you. So the problem will be resolved by the development or operation team, or everyone will not fight because of this reason. Cool.
Great.
Example
Nice.
is good. Example is good. You will remember everything now.
Top to bottom.
Good. Okay. Chalo. Now we understood little bit about the container. Okay. Now this container has been developed. You can run in the AWS cloud, in the Google cloud, Azure cloud, anywhere. This is container. If any of the container management tool, you can run it anywhere. All fine. Okay. I'm giving you one reel also, which we have created some day before yesterday only. INSTA, because people will able to remember the things with the help of reels. Right? This is a trend. Okay. Yeah. So many container orchestration tools are there, like Kubernetes, Docker Swarm, Mesos, HashiCorp, and OpenShift. These are the five. Let me start it again. Okay. These are the 5 container orchestration tool available at this point into the market. Okay. I will give you this link also. You can have a look, please. Okay. And please like it. It will be good. Okay. And as well as these are the 5 orchestration tool. I'm giving just one line definition here also. What is Kubernetes? Okay. Kubernetes is a common abbreviation. In short, Kubernetes we call as a KATS. Okay. That is the short form of Kubernetes. It's a open source container orchestration tool, which we will discuss more into the tomorrow class. Today's agenda is Docker. We will discuss. Okay. And another orchestration tool is also available into the market, which is Docker Swarm. Not very famous. Okay. Kubernetes, 99% companies or 95% companies are using Kubernetes. Docker Swarm used by 1 or 2% companies. Okay. So we don't have to learn. Okay. Mesos or HashiCorp Nomad Mesos. Okay. This is also little bit common, but not very popular. Okay. Very rare companies are using it. I may feel that you may not hear about this name also. OpenShift. Yes. This is also a little bit popular tool. Around 5 to 7% companies are using it. But as compared to Kubernetes, Kubernetes has a lot of ready-made things are there. Okay. If Kubernetes is the Tesla car, this is still a Honda City. Okay. If you have an option, same price, Tesla or Honda City, which one you will purchase? Obviously Tesla. Everything automated. Yes or no? So yes, Kubernetes is a Tesla in the market of this thing. Okay. And one more tool is available, which is Mesos. This is Apache has been developed this software, but it is also not very popular. Okay. These are the container orchestration tool available into the market at this point. Cool. So let me go more deeper into it. Okay. Now, sir, what is Kubernetes? What is Docker? Still, we want to understand more. Docker and Kubernetes is the most popular tool, commonly developed tool for the containerization of the application. At this point, applications are getting containerized, so the containerization of the application is happening. Having a knowledge in Docker and Kubernetes will enhance your earning potential. Means if you know Docker and Kubernetes, both the software, you can ask the good package into the market for sure. There is a huge demand into the market for this application because the problem was common for every company. Okay, bringing only this part into the production is very difficult. Okay, every company, every software development lifecycle company is doing the same activity. So this is a problem with 100% all the companies. So 100% people are going to adopt this technology in the future. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everyone,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
If it's a problem with everybody, solution is available. Docker open source freely available. Okay, what you want? Yes or no? Docker is telling I am freely available. Just use this approach. That's it. So every company is definitely going to adopt this. Okay. I'm making it into the green color. Okay. It is freely available into the market. Cool. With the help of this containerization approach, we don't have to worry about independent components. Okay. Because fixing of components required a very high knowledge. Yes or no? Simple human being or simple engineer cannot assemble everything straightforward. It's very difficult. So with the help of this approach, containerization has been developed, then you don't have to worry. And now the question is, who will develop this container? Okay. This container has to be developed by the DevOps engineer. That's why the DevOps engineer demand is getting high and people are asking the high package. Yes or no? Agree? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Yes.
I want everyone to involve. Amit,
Yes.
Akshay,
Yes.
Altaf, right? That's why the DevOps engineer demand is getting increased. They are asking the high package and they are providing it. Okay, cool. Now, again, the question is Docker, you are aware. Okay. Now, why we have to use the Docker? Simple answer. We want to make the containers. We want to make the image. That's why we want to use the Docker. Cool. But before going into the Docker, sir, Docker is the future, but what is the present thing? Are you guys knows what is the present thing available into the market? Guys, give me the answer. What is
Virtual
present?
machines.
Yes, presently in the era of 2020s, okay, we are dealing with the virtual machine. Okay, virtual machine is okay, but Docker and all these things is a future. Okay, we already move into the future. Lot of 21, 22, 23 companies are using the Docker, but we have to understand little about the virtual machine as well. So I'm going to teach you what is virtualization, what is virtual machine, how to create a virtual machine, advantage, disadvantage, virtual machine into the Google Cloud, virtual machine into the Azure Cloud, virtual machine into the AWS, and so many hypervisor level approach also, because some companies are still using the hypervisor, Oracle VirtualBox, VM VirtualBox, and what is the problem. So in the next 30 minutes, we are discussing about the virtual machine, and from the virtual machine, you will understand the problem and the solution will be solved with the help of Docker. So next 30 minutes, we are going to discuss the virtual machine. Are you agree? Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Cool. Good. Okay. Then we will go into the Docker and we will understand the Docker. Okay. Now, the simplest question, if I will ask with you only, the reason why I'm giving opportunity to give the answers, because if you will give the wrong answer, you will get to know that I'm giving the wrong answer and it is getting corrected with the help of group. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Right? If everyone not able to unmute and give the answer, at least go and give the answer by own. Okay, without unmuting also you will give the answer, and if I will give the correct answer, you will get to know that yes, this was correct or this was wrong. Okay, self judgment is very important. What is virtual machine? I need an answer.
Exist logically, not physically.
Okay, virtually available somewhere, that is called virtual machine, right?
Yes, sir. But we have to use by using internet, through internet.
Which we can connect with the help of internet or with the help of virtualization technology. We are accessing someone else machine, that is called virtual machine. Okay, I agree. What else? Any other point?
A virtual machine is a one kind of server where we can deploy our application and we can fetch it our application.
You can create a virtual machine and you can put your application inside that. Yes, that is okay. But my question is, what is virtual machine?
It is a logical server.
It is a
We
logical
can
server, okay, which is available somewhere else. But with the
Yeah.
help of internet, we are accessing it. With the help of virtualization technology, we are accessing it. That's why we are calling that machine is known as virtual machine.
Yes.
Clear?
Yeah.
Virtual machine is a emulator of the physical computer. 100% whatever is happening into the physical machine, with the help of internet, you can do all the activity into the physical machine. So I'm telling it's an emulator of the physical computer. Virtual machines are based on the computer architecture. It's the architecture of the virtual machine and physical machines, both are same. There is no difference at all. Okay. The virtual machine also implemented with the help of hardware, means first the physical machine which has been created with the help of hardware, with the help of operating system. Yes, virtual machine also will be get created with the help of hardware. We need a hardware. Now my question is, what is hardware?
Where we can touch something.
Now, what is hardware? CPU, memory, disk,
CPU,
Ethernet,
memory,
internet,
SSD.
okay, GPU. These all components are calling as a hardware. Okay, we need this hardware, and we will put the operating system over this hardware so that my application can able to use my hardware. My Zoom application, which we have connected, this Zoom application is consuming 26% of the CPU, 89% of the memory. How come it is consuming it? With the help of operating system, this software is running. With the help of this software, operating system is providing this much CPU and memory to him, and he is using and he is providing the information to us. Yes or no?
Yes.
So definitely, to create a virtual machine, we need a hardware, we need an operating system. Bare minimum requirement, we need a hardware, we need an operating system. Then only we can able to create a virtual machine. Cool. Okay. Yep, good. Kalpesh, just mute yourself. Okay, some background noise is coming from your side.
Yeah, sure.
Now, my next question, which is the interview question. Okay, what is virtual machine? Okay, how the virtual machine has been created? Can anyone here in this group explain me this part? I will be very happy. Experienced person, come up and explain me all this thing. I will explain you in next 2 minutes, but first 2 minutes is yours.
Virtual machine can be created by the
One person, Vidyasagar, go ahead. Guys, it's possible you can switch on your camera. It will be very good. Please.
So what I'm
Yeah.
saying is like
Go ahead.
virtual
Yes.
machine is basically service providing by cloud like this Azure, AWS.
Leave it. I'm not talking about that. How to create a virtual machine? This is my question. My question is different.
May I?
Yeah, go ahead.
Create from our laptop or desktop with the help of hypervisor or VMware Oracle
Correct.
VirtualBox.
Correct.
Now we can create and over that application we can deploy our ISO image.
Okay.
Whatever ISO we want, we can create it. Let's say Windows or Ubuntu. Over that, once the ISO is deployed, we can Windows or Ubuntu will create, and top of that we can use our application.
Okay. Chalo, I agree with your answer. Okay. Let me. Your answer is correct. I'm not telling it's wrong. It's correct. Okay. We need a hardware. We need a CPU, memory, disk, or whatever is required. Networking. All the hardwares will be required. Over that hardware, some operating system has to be put. In my case, I have a hardware which is of Intel. Okay. I'm using the all. Guys, Weber, mute yourself. I'm using the hardware, which is the assemble hardware, something from the Intel, something from the HP or something. Over that, I put the operating system, that is Windows operating system. Till now, it's okay. And my laptop is up and running. Yes or no? If I will use this two things, my laptop is up and running. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, either I can use the application, I can install like Zoom application or whatever is required, and I can use my laptop. But my requirement is different. I need another virtual machine I want to create. Then I have to install one more software. The software is a part of hypervisor technology. Means I have to create a hypervisor software. Okay. How to create this hypervisor software? With the help of some tool. Can anyone tell me the tool's name?
VMware VirtualBox.
Oracle VirtualBox.
Oracle, yeah.
Yes, your answer is correct. I can take the help from the Oracle VirtualBox or VMware. So I have bring the software which is Oracle VirtualBox in front of you. In this Oracle VirtualBox, this is my hypervisor. In this hypervisor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 virtual machine has been available. Where is the application? Virtual machine 1, virtual machine 2, virtual machine 3. Like that, it is available like this. Cool.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, able to imagine at this point? We will develop it also, no worries. But able to imagine all the things, how the virtual machine has been created. Now I can create a CentOS, I can put any of the operating system flavor, and I can put my application and the virtual machine is ready. I can put the operating system and I can create a virtual machine. That is also possible. Looks good. Interesting. Okay, now my architecture, my application, which is hypervisor. In the hypervisor, I have installed some Oracle VirtualBox or VM VirtualBox, anything, any of the software. I'm using the Oracle VM, and this is my base machine. Over this machine, I put the Ubuntu, CentOS, Linux, Red Hat, whatever I want, I can do it. And yes, here is the result in front of you. Guys, this part is okay. Local virtual machine approach.
I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead with your question.
Wanted to check on the hypervisor. So hypervisors are basically a couple of types are there. So is it always necessary that it should be installed over OS? Because there is, I guess,
See,
one more
hypervisor.
type.
One second. Small. Hypervisor is the application, right?
Yes. Yes.
If there is no operating system, how you will install? How you will run this application? Not possible, right?
But then what about bare metal?
Bare metal. See, on the bare metal is also a hardware, right?
Yeah.
Bare metal is a hardware, but it has a base operating system. Something will be there. DOS will be there. I don't want to go more technical inside it, but see, to run this operating system, I will give you one more answer. To run this Windows also, we need some operating system. Are you agree? No? Yes, no.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
That is
Actually, there is a Red
DOS.
Hat KVM.
Leave it, man. Leave it. Windows. Simple answer first. Okay. To run the Windows operating system also, we need a DOS. Our laptops are coming in DOS. With the help of DOS, we can install the operating system Windows.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay.
So in the bare metal also, the DOS will come into the picture. I don't want to go more technical into it, that part, but yes, that is correct. That is 100% correct. This is also correct.
Yeah. Got it.
Cool. Good. Nice question. Okay. I am happy. I appreciate this question. Okay. This is called local virtual machine approach. Now, sir, this is tough. Yeah, this is tough. This is outdated. If you learn, it's an add-on for you. Okay. If you have a 5 years experience, what you will say? If you have a 10-year experience, what you will say? You have to say something, right? To ask the 40 lakh package. Yes, no. Are guys agree?
Yes.
If you have a 10-year experience, 15-year experience, you have to say something that I worked into the virtual machine. I worked into some on-premises thing. I will teach that also. I will teach you this also. Now let's come to the cloud provider. In the cloud provider, I will develop everything in front of you in the next 5 minutes. Okay. In cloud provider, you can create a virtual machine with the help of Google Cloud, with the help of Azure or AWS, anything. Okay. You can go to any of the cloud provider and create a virtual machine. Creation of virtual machine is a little bit tough. Anyone here who don't know how to create a virtual machine in the cloud? Do you want to learn with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't
Yes.
know.
Yes.
You don't know.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
The person who told don't know, for them it's a tough thing, right? It's a tough thing. Are you agree? Yes or no? Yes, no. It is a tough or it's a simple thing?
That is tough.
For me.
That is tough if we don't know the answer. Guys,
Simple,
I'm
sir.
giving, that's okay, leave it. I'm giving an opportunity. You have two cloud. I have two cloud, Google Cloud or AWS. Choose the cloud. Which cloud you want to do? AWS or GCP?
GCP, sir.
AWS.
GCP, sir.
GCP.
I need
AWS.
one more to answer.
GCP.
GCP.
AWS.
I'm getting more voice. Arey, that means
GCP.
GCP, sir. GCP.
Arey, I will create both. Okay, I will create both. I will create both. Okay, I will create both. Okay, AWS in the starting, GCP at the last. Okay, fine.
AWS is free and GCP is pay.
Both are free. Both are same. If you know the driving, you can drive any of the car. If you know driving, you can drive any of the car. Simple. Okay. I know both. I have both. I will teach both in the today's session only. Okay. Let's start with the AWS. And in the next 30 minutes, GCP. Cool. Chalo. People told, some student told AWS, create a virtual machine in the AWS. I agree. I'm going to one browser. This is my Google Chrome. Yes or no? Guys, simple. This is my Google Chrome.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I'm going to the link aws.amazon/console. Okay. My AWS console has been opened. Yes or no? Yes,
Yes.
no.
Yes, sir.
I'm clicking on login. As soon as I will log in, I will be landed or my username password will be asked and I will be able to log in into the AWS account. Okay. It is asking my username, my password, and I click on sign in and I will be landed into the AWS account. Okay. I have signed in into my AWS account. Looks okay. This is my home page of my AWS for N Virginia region. These are the different data centers available on AWS. Guys, mute yourself, please. Mute yourself. Akshay, Kalpesh, mute yourself. These are the different data centers available in the AWS account. Okay. I'm choosing the Mumbai. Simply, I'm from the India. I choose Mumbai. Okay. But I will give the technical answer why I'm choosing Mumbai. Okay. I will teach you. Okay. I choose Mumbai data center. And as soon as Akshay, please mute yourself. Guys, please mute yourself. Okay. We are into the Mumbai data center of AWS account. Say thumb. Yes, agree.
Yes, sir. Agree.
Now mute yourself.
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Now my requirement is I need a EC2 machine. I'm just searching EC2. What is the full form of EC2? Give me the answer, please. What is the full
Elastic
form of
Compute Cloud.
Elastic Cloud Compute. What do you mean by elastic?
Means we can scale out and scaling.
Super. We can increase or decrease. Flexible. Okay. Increase or DECREASE. Okay. Compute. What do you mean by compute?
Computing activities.
Operating system, hardware.
Wrong. Yeah. Give me the correct answer. Compute. What do you mean by compute?
Hardware, RAM, hard disk,
Yes.
CPU.
Tapan is giving the correct answer. Tapan, you are my student. Tapan, you are my student. Yes or no? 1 second.
Yes,
wait.
correct.
Tapan is my student. Okay. Cool. Compute means CPU, memory. Okay. Hardware related thing. Okay. This is called compute. Okay. Cool. Now on the cloud, CLOUD, that is the full form of EC2. Cool. Now
yes, sir.
I'm just searching the EC2. I'm just clicking on here and I will be landed into the EC2 homepage. What is my requirement? I need a EC2 machine. I'm just clicking on the instance. And at this point, none of the instance is running. It is empty. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If it is agree, I want to launch a machine. I'm clicking. Guys, now I will take your help. I need only 5 click. With the help of 5 click or not even 5 click, I will able to create a machine in front of you. First click, I'm doing it, launch instance. Okay. I did one click and the template has been opened. I just have to fulfill this template. Anyone, let me know your name, please. Anyone, unmute and let me know. Pratik. Pratik. Pratik already came. 4 November. Okay. Pratik, 4 November, 11 AM. We are creating the machine. I am giving a name very specifically. Pratik, 4 November, 11 AM. Okay. 1 click, launch instance. 2nd click, providing in the name. Okay. 2 clicks I did. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I am coming down. I am taking all the default configuration. I am taking all the default configuration. I am not touching any configuration. Here, I want to keep it very simple. So I am taking it without keeper. 3rd click I did till now. Are you agree? I did 3 clicks till now. Yes or no? I'm coming down. I'm not touching anything. Okay. I'm not touching anything. I'm not touching anything. Okay. I'm getting an option launch instance. I am doing the fourth click, launch instance. Okay. As soon as I click the fourth click, my virtual machine in the next 30 seconds, my virtual machine will be ready. He's telling successfully launch the virtual machine in just a 4 click. I just launched I'm just going into this place, and you will able to see that Pratik machine, which is pending at this point, it will take 20 more seconds and my machine will be ready. 20 more seconds, 15 more seconds. Okay, let me refresh it. It is already running. In the fourth click, I get a virtual machine which is up and running into the AWS cloud. Is this tough?
No, sir, not at all.
No.
sir.
No. If we don't know the things, we feel that it is tough. If we know the things, we will never feel that it is tough. Now, guys, is connecting. It is running into the Mumbai region. I am sitting into the Bangalore place. Okay. How to connect this machine? I need your help. Simplest answer, guys. This is the very first class. I need a simplest answer.
SSH or
Click on checkbox and click on connect.
Cool. Yes. 2 clicks
Select
and
select the machine and click on connect.
Just 2 or 3 clicks and I will able to connect to machine. One click. I want to connect to Pratik machine. Okay. I'm clicking on the connect option. Second click, I click on connect. He's telling you want to connect to this machine with this user, and I'm telling third click connect. Okay. I click on the third click connect, and connection is happening. It will take some couple of seconds and I will be landed into the machine. This is my Linux machine. With the 4 click, I created a machine. With the help of 3 click, I am into the machine. Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes.
Is this tough? No, this is not tough at all. Things are very easy. Client don't know this thing. That's why he's ready to pay thousands of rupees or lakhs of rupees to create all these things. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Chalo, cool. Cool. Okay, chalo, cool. Leave it. Chalo, let's come to the agenda. I created a machine. I created a virtual machine into the AWS cloud. With the help of 4 click and 3 clicks, I connected to this machine. That's it. Yep. In the Google Cloud also, we will do the same activity in the next 15 minutes or next 20 minutes. Okay. Now, sir, this approach, we are very interested to learn more. I agree. Sir, what about this approach? We want to learn this approach also because I have a 5 years experience. I have a 10-year experience. I don't know. I haven't did anything in my 5 year of career or 10 year of career. Then I will teach you some old approaches as well, because it's not like I have to teach only future. I have to teach the current approaches as well. So we will go to the virtual box, we will go to the operating system, and we will connect it. I will teach you all the things one by one. Okay, cool. Now, sir, looks interesting. Can you create some applications or doing some activity into this cloud? I am ready. I will do in front of you. In the next 20 minutes, I will create one web-based application with the help of some DevOps tools, with the help of Google Cloud, AWS, Azure. I will create a virtual machine. I will install a Docker and I will perform the activity. But at this point, I don't want to teach the Docker to you. At this point, 5 more minutes, I want to take the help from I will teach you the virtual machine and then we will go into the Docker. Okay. But in the virtual machine, sir, the biggest problem is if I will tell you, if I will tell you, you have to create a one virtual machine, you have to download the image. Obviously, the operating system image will be required. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And can anyone give me the answer? Windows operating system image size.
Around 4 to 5 GB.
5 GB.
4 GB. After unzipping it, how much it will become?
Around 30 GB.
Yes, 25 GB approx. Okay. And if you will put some applications inside it, it will become around 30 to 40 GB. Yes or no?
Right.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Is that possible? Moving of 40 GB from one place to another is possible?
No, sir.
No,
That's
sir.
little complicated.
Not possible, right? It's very difficult, right? 40 GB is a big, huge number. Okay. To upload somewhere, you need 1 day. To download somewhere, you need 1 day if you have a very good internet connection, right? If you don't have a good connection, you can't do it from dev environment to the QA environment, QA to the non-prod environment, non-prod to production. Not possible. That's why this virtual machine approach is getting failed. Okay, this virtual machine approach is getting failed because size of the operating system, size of the application is very big. This is Windows. Can anyone tell me the example of most popular operating system? Give me the name. Most popular operating system
Linux.
Linux.
in the
Linux.
Linux, which flavor? In
Red
the
Hat.
Linux,
Ubuntu.
Red Hat.
Mac,
Ubuntu.
Mac.
Mac is not a very popular. Okay, Mac is
We
not
have Red
free.
Hat,
Ubuntu.
Red Hat.
but that is bad.
Red Hat is Enterprise Edition. This is not free. Okay,
Ubuntu Debian.
Ubuntu and Debian is the correct answer. Ubuntu. Okay, now Ubuntu, how much is the operating size? Can anyone give me the answer?
For server version, it is 2 GB.
2 point something.
Yes, around 3 GB will be the size. Okay, after unzipping it,
It may
8 to 10
go.
GB, 10 GB, right? 8 to 9 or 7 GB, around 6 to 6 GB. Okay, after putting some application, 4 GB, and it will become 10 GB approx. Yes or no?
Correct.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is just an approx answer, around 10 GB after putting application. Very standard. 10 GB movement is also not possible, man. It's not easy thing. It's not a one click, the application move from one place to another, not possible. Okay, that's why this virtual machine approach is getting failed. 5 years back we are using it, but at this point we are not using it. We are not interested to do this much effort in doing all this activity. Okay, and another problem is, if I will create a virtual machine like this, it is running in my machine. Okay, what about if I want to give this CentOS operating system or this machine to you? Is that possible? I can give it to you, you can use this machine.
No.
No, sir. No, sir.
No, right? There is a limitation. There is a limitation. There is a problem. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If there is a limitation, this approach will get failed. Wherever the limitations will come, the approach will be get failed. I need a better approach. What is the better approach? This machine,
Cloud.
the answer is cloud. The approach which is available here, if I will give you the access, you can able to access, and we all can run once, we all can use one single machine from different places, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is a limitation. That's why this approach become fail. This has a good thing. Very quickly, within 30 seconds, without hardware, without investing anything, this approach came and it is up and running. So people are moving towards the cloud at this point. Got my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Now, chalo, let's do some another practical. Okay. I would like to develop something in front of you. I would like to develop one website. Okay. With the help of cloud, with the help of DevOps tool. Okay. I would like to create one website with the help of DevOps tool, with the help of cloud. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Then I will do in front of you in the 6 steps. I will take only 6 steps and I will able to perform this activity. But before that, this is a cloud or DevOps approach. Forget about cloud and DevOps at this point. Okay. If I will tell you, you have to create a one website like this. This is one website. Yes or no? You have to create a website like this. You can open and you can see that you have to create this type of website. How you will create it, how much time will be required, and what all things will be required to create a website like this. My question is, I'm repeating my question. I want to create this type of website. How much time will be required? How much efforts will be required? Or how much cost will be required? First, we will take as the efforts. Okay. In the efforts, what all things will be required? Can you give me the answer? What all things will be required?
People are working in this project.
Multiple teams, dev team will be required. Multiple teams will be required, right? Yes or no? Human being
Yes, sir.
effort. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Dev or
Dev-
engineers will be
development
required,
teams
multiple
required,
teams
hardware required, operating system
Correct.
required,
Hardware. When I'm talking about hardware, in the hardware, CPU memory will be required, and then
operating
CPU
system.
memory, and then operating system will be required. You will choose again Ubuntu operating system because it is free available. What else will be
Then
required?
Nginx required for web server.
Yes. If your requirement is website, you need a web server. Okay. Now I need an answer from new person.
App server.
Tapan, I don't need an answer from you. I need
Oh,
an answer from
okay,
some
sir.
other. Web server will be required. Web server, I am choosing Nginx web server. Okay. What else will be required?
Domain.
Domain. Yes. Here domain will be required. Okay. What else?
Sir, servers we have Nginx and also Apache servers also available.
Anything. Apache, Nginx, Apache,
Yeah.
APA, CHE, Tomcat, anything. You can
App
take
server and DB server.
Correct. If it's a required a database, you want to store something, DB will be required. Yes. What else? Networking
Host
will be
machine.
required. Costing will
Host
come. I will come into the cost. What else will be required? Give me the answers, guys. Think it.
Host machine. Cloud.
Hosting,
Subnets.
subnet securities will be required.
VPC.
Testing team will be required. Okay. What else? So many things will be required, right? How much time will be required? Can you anyone give me the answer, sir? To achieve all these things, how much time will be required?
Sir, HTML code also.
Yes, developer will write the code, HTML code. It's a HTML code. Okay, will be required. Yes.
Cloud will be required.
Why cloud will be required? At this point, cloud is not required.
Okay.
Okay. Now give me the answer. This many efforts will be required. How much time you need it to achieve this all things?
It will be in months.
It will be
Months.
a month. How
Yes.
many months? How many months?
2 months.
Yeah, chalo, approx. Yeah, he is not telling some bad answer. 2 months is okay. Okay, very standard.
3 to 6 months.
Chalo, 2-3 months. Okay, I'm telling 2 to 5 months. Chalo. Okay, no arguments. Okay, 2 to 5 months. Okay, how much is the cost required? No one will
Around
do
10,
any work.
10 to 5 lakhs.
No one will do anything freely. Okay, you have to give some money to them. Yes, how much?
10 lakh.
10 lakh is very high,
I
man.
think
No
it
one
is
will pay
10 to
10 lakh.
20.
No, man, 10-20 is very high number.
Depending on the website and the
3 to 5 lakh.
This is the website.
Depending upon their requirement and
Are
5
here
to
is the
6 lakh.
website. Here is the
2 to
website.
3.
We create
2 to 3 lakh.
1 to 2 lakhs.
Chalo,
1 to
chalo.
2 lakhs.
1 to 2 lakhs. Okay. Minimum this amount will be required. Okay. And if someone 2 dev engineers will be there, 2 to 5 months you will take. So 10,000 rupees per month, so they will take it. Right. And this much cost will be required. Minimum. It will be go beyond that, but this much will be required to create any of the website. I'm going to create same kind of website in front of you in the some couple of minutes. Okay. As per my commitment, I told you I will teach you the virtual machine creation in Google Cloud. I'm going to my Google Cloud account. Okay. This is my browser. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is my browser.
Sir.
I'm going to the GCP account, console.cloud.google.com. This is the Google Cloud account. Sir, it is not asking ID password because my
Already
account,
logged in.
in my Chrome, he knows my username and password. So it is not asking. Chrome is also Google product. This is also Google product. He know everything. It is not asking anything. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Cache or whatever it is. Cache, same account. Both the photos are same account. So it is not asking any detail. He knows he's a trusted person. He allowed me. I'm into the Google Cloud. Okay. Now comparison. We will do the comparison also. Okay. Console.aws.amazon.com, console.cloud.google.com. URL is also kind of same. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. Chalo, let's go to the Google Cloud. Now my requirement is virtual machine. So I'm telling INSTNC. The name is little bit different. Instance. I'm going into the VM instance. Here, this is the home page for the instance. This is the home page to create a instance or virtual machine into the Google Cloud. In the AWS, there was an option. Okay, in the AWS, there was the option launch instance. In the Google Cloud, there is the option create instance. Both are same. Now, I will do 4 to 5 clicks and I will create a virtual machine in the Google Cloud in front of you. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Till now, all good. Till now, I'm just on the home page. Okay. I'm clicking first click, create instance. Okay. Template has been came. I need someone's name. Please unmute and let me know your name. Let me know your name.
Anuj.
Anuj. ANUJ Anuj. What is the today's date? 4 November. Okay. I'm creating a virtual machine with the name Anuj 4 November. I did just 2 clicks till now. 1 click on the launch instance, create instance, and second click on providing a name. I'm not doing any configuration changes. I'm taking all the same configuration. I'm taking all the same configuration. I'm taking all the same configuration. This time it's a Linux. I want to change it to the Ubuntu. I'm clicking here, change, and I'm just choosing the operating system here, Ubuntu, UBU, and I'm choosing the Ubuntu. Second click, I'm doing it. Automatically, he's telling the Ubuntu version 20 LTS, long-term support version with the 10 GB size will come. Can I click on create, select while doing the third click?
Yes.
I'm doing the third click and I change my Ubuntu operating system. Okay. After that, all looks good, all looks good. I want to allow the internet and traffic because this time I want to create a website, web application. So I'm just allowing the traffic. I'm just allowing it internet inside the machine because I want to create a web server. Web server required internet. So I'm just allowing the internet. I did the fourth click also. And I'm just doing the fifth click, create. Can I click on the fifth click, create?
Yes.
I click on the create fifth click and my virtual machine will be ready in the next 30 seconds. At this point, it is rotating. Okay. At this point, it is rotating means it is creating it. Okay. Give a 30-second time. Okay. 10 second already passed. 20 second is left. Okay. And it is already up and running. It's become green. 5 click my AWS machine. 5 click my GCP machine. Both the machines are up and running. Cool.
Yes.
Is there any difference? If you know one cloud, you can run into the another cloud also possible. Okay. With the help of 5 click, AWS and GCP, both machine has been created. Now I'm
So
going.
the same process in Azure also, sir?
Same process, man. If you know driving, you can drive any of the car. Right? Only some functionalities will be little bit here and there. That's it.
Sir, HTTP and HTTPS
Wait. I'm not talking about HTTPS. I'm giving simple answer. If you have a laptop, if it's a Windows operating system, it's that matter. You know HP laptop. Have you ever told that I know how to use a HP laptop only? If I will give a Lenovo laptop with a Windows operating system, you will able to work or not?
Yes.
Good
Yes or no?
example.
Yes.
In the Apple, there is a difference. Okay. In the Apple, there is a difference. Don't go with the negative points always. Go with the positive point. Lenovo, HP, Compaq, Dell. All has a Windows operating system. All are same. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you know how to use Lenovo, you will able to work into the Compaq, you will able to work into the Dell, you will work into the Sony, or you will work into the another laptop as well. Agree, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
What is the difference? The start button will be somewhere, some functionality, some little bit functionalities will be different. The start key will be little bit different. Colors will be little bit different. The little bit names will be different. Ports will be here and there, but 90% things are same. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, sir.
If 90% things are same, means it's the same thing. Okay. Asus also same, man. There is no difference. If you have a mobile phone, sir, I know how to use my mobile phone. Is this a correct answer? If you will say I know how to use Android, then you can use any of the Android.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Everyone agree with my point?
Yes, sir.
So don't think that, sir, I know Google Cloud, I know Azure, I know Alibaba. I will tell you my story only. 6, 7 years back, okay, I get a one project. My manager told that, okay, you have to work into the Alibaba cloud. I was thinking, man, what I got, I'm into the wrong project. I don't want to work into the Alibaba cloud. I was thinking like that. Okay. When he suggested me, there is no difference. You know how to use, you are the expert into the AWS, you are the expert into the Google Cloud. There is no difference at all. He given me that suggestion that if you know driving, you can drive any of the car. That time I remember that word. Okay. I jump into the, or what we can say, Alibaba cloud. I just open the UI. 70 to 80% things are same. Only little bit names are different. Okay. Or little bit UI functionality is different. When in the day 2, I observed that it's a 95% same. In after 2, 3 days, I was not feeling that there is a difference. Everything was very same. Yes or no? Let's assume today you are driving shift every day. Tomorrow you get another car. Okay. One day you will feel that there is a little bit difference. Yes or no? Yes, no, please.
Yeah, for 1 or 2 days.
Yes.
1 or 2
Yeah,
days.
yeah.
1 or 2 days you will feel that there is a difference, and then after 2, 3 days you will say that no, man, there is no difference, everything is same. That's a truth. Okay. But the problem is, if you don't know how to drive, after 1 year also you will say that this is difficult.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Right.
Right, sir.
Right. So the same concept here also. Okay. There is not much difference. Cool. Let's come to the technical thing. Okay. Because discussion will never finish. Okay. My requirement is, I want to create a website. I want to create a website with the help of DevOps tools, with the help of cloud approach. I have a 6 steps. I'm copying the 6 steps. Let me explain you the 6 steps. Okay. The first step, go to any of the cloud provider. I went to the Google Cloud. Cool. Create a virtual machine. I already created the virtual machine. What is the name of the virtual machine? The name of the virtual machine is Anuj. Okay. ANUJ Anuj with Ubuntu operating system. Can I say done?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now the question is install Docker inside the virtual machine.
Yes.
To install anything, I have to do into the machine. What to do? SSH. I have to go inside the machine. Is SSH stuff?
No.
No, sir.
Now people will not say no. Okay, I don't like no. Okay, it's not tough. I will prove that. I will go here. I'm just clicking on SSH button. Guys, I'm clicking on this SSH button. You have to explain me what all things will happen inside the SSH. Okay, I just click on the SSH. My console has been opened. My SSH cloud.google.com one page has been opened. SSH keys are getting transferred from my account. Technical things coming into the picture. From my account, public key, private key has been getting generated. It is transferring into my Google Cloud account with the help of port number 22. It is trying to go inside the virtual machine, and I landed into the virtual machine with the help of port number 22, with the help of public key and private key concept. Indirectly, I just click, I'm just closing, I just click on this SSH button and my work has been done. I'm landed into the machine in just one click with the help of port number 22, with the help of public key and private key concept. Sir, whatever you are telling, we don't know. I will teach you everything. No need to worry. Okay. I will teach in my Linux classes all these concepts. Cool?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It will take 10 to 15 seconds and I will be landed into the machine. This time we are waiting. That's why it's taking time. I landed into my virtual machine, which is Anuj virtual machine. This time I have connected with the Vikas user. Sir, how come this user came? This is my account name. That's why my public key, private key has been put it, and I am able to with the my name. Looks good. Okay. Now what I'm doing it, I'm doing the sudo -i. At this point, I am a Vikas user. From the Vikas user, I cannot perform any activity. I have to become the root user. I have to become the root user. So I am running the command sudo -i. I am pressing enter and I become the root user at this time. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what if we use sudo su in place of hyphen
There's
I?
no difference. What? Tell me the full form of su. Tell me the full form of su.
Switch user.
Switch use.
That's it.
Super
There's no
user.
difference. Okay. No, switch user. Okay. The full form is switch user, switching user to the root user. That's it. That is also fine. For every activity, there are so many different commands possible. Okay. Use the command which is very popular, used by most of the developers. That's it. So I use the command sudo -i. Okay.
Both are same.
Kind of same. Okay.
Yeah.
There is a minor difference, but I don't want to confuse you at this point because this is the Linux part. I will teach you in the Linux classes. No worries. Okay.
Sure.
Cool. Now I become the root user. Cool. Now my requirement is install Docker. Guys, can anyone give me the answer how to install a Docker?
Sir, as
Sudo
this is
install Docker.
Get.docker.com. I have to go to.
apt-get install docker.io.
Cool. Yes, all the answers are correct. Okay, I am not telling any answer is wrong. All answers are correct. But at this point, I don't know any command also. Right? Let's assume I don't know anything. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Search in Google.
Google is always with us. But let's assume I don't have the Google also. Okay, my need is Docker. I'm just typing Docker and I'm pressing enter. Okay, what is the error came? Command Docker not found. Docker is not available. Okay, but you can install with this command. It is Linux. It is very smart. Okay, that's why people are loving it. People are using it. People become expert. I just put Docker. He's telling Docker is not available. If you want to install Docker, just run this command or run this command, and Docker version 20 will be installed in your machine. Is this good? Why
Yes,
to
sir.
go to the Google and why to
Yeah, yes,
remember?
sir.
Right, chalo. But sir, this is a command. With the help of this command, Docker will get installed. I am 100% agree. Yes, you are correct. But sir, I want to learn the best practice. What do you mean by best practice? Which has to be used into the real time, which has to be used in any company, right? if you're working in any of the organization, you have to follow some process. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yeah.
If you want to follow the process, I will give you some little bit process. That's it. Just 2 commands more. Okay. 2 more commands. apt get update. The good practice or the best practice says, if you want to create any of the machine, if you want to install any of the software, first update all your packages. I'm just running the apt get update command into my machine so that all the packages, because I don't know when this has been developed, it is created in some couple of minutes back, but when this Ubuntu operating system has been came, any vulnerability, any security things are there or not, I want to update all the packages so that I will be in the safer side. My team, my company will be into the safer side, that all the packages are latest available. We have to always upgrade your machine. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? Cool. I'm updating all the packages. I updated all the packages. Now I'm running the command apt install docker.io, which is here, apt install docker.io. I'm just installing this. But before that, I want to check is the Docker install or not. Docker is available or not with the help of docker-v command. Okay. Docker-v, I'm running it. It is telling Docker is not available, but you can run this command and Docker will get installed. Linux is very smart. Okay. I'm running this command apt install docker.io. He's telling 267 MB software or additional space will be required. Are you agree? This is my requirement. I'm telling yes, I'm agree, and I press enter. As soon as I press enter, it will take some time. 16 seconds, 16% completed, 19% completed, 30% completed, 40% completed. Okay. 78% completed, 84% completed, 95% completed, and done. Download and installation both done with the help of this command. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
What about others?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm running the docker-v command again, and I'm checking it. Docker has been installed or not. Yes, Docker version 20.4 has been installed in my machine. Cool. I'm telling yes, Docker has been installed in my machine. This is done. I will give you these commands. You don't have to worry. Okay, cool. Let me make it very simple. Okay, docker-v command, and this version I get. So my step 3 is also done. Any question till now?
No.
No, sir.
Simple, straightforward. Okay.
No, sir.
Now my infra is ready. Right? This is part means infra part is ready. INFERA. My infrastructure is ready. Okay. Now I can take the help from the software and I can perform the activity. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
My infra is ready. Now I'm taking the help from the software and I will perform that. Download the website. What is meant by download the website? Developers, HTML code or something will be required, right? Because you want to create a website, so code is required. I'm taking the help from the internet. I'm going to the internet and I'm going to some website and I'm taking the code. Okay, because I don't have a developers. Okay, at this point I don't have the developer, but I have so many things, guys. So many options are there. Boxer, Nogen, Carival, Heatle, so many. Out of 6 or out of this 12, tell me the number. I will take any of the website and I will create in front of you.
Second row.
8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one is 8. Okay. Are you agree with 8? 5. Doctors. Okay.
5. Okay, sir.
5. Chalo.
8.
5.
8.
Don't make the complicated. 5 or 8?
8. 8.
8.
Sir, 5.
Are 8. Okay. Lot of people tell 8. Okay.
Or else go to 6, sir.
Let's go to 8. Okay. Something good cryptocurrency related website is there, man. Okay. Chalo. I'm going into this 8. Okay. And if I will click on this download, what will happen? The code will get downloaded in my Windows machine. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Finolex free website template. Finolex free website has been downloaded as soon as I click on this. But my requirement is I want to download into the Linux machine. How to do that?
By using the wget. Copying the
Copy
link.
Superb answer. Okay. With the help of wget command. Okay. I'm running the command wget. Okay. And I'm just giving the URL. Okay. Wget and I'm giving the URL. And as soon as I press enter, something 40%, 100% has been downloaded. Finolex.zip file. With the help of ls command, I can see finolex.zip file. This is finolex. Yeah, this is finolex has been downloaded with the help of wget command. Means I'm going into this place, download the code with the help of wget command, and zip file has been downloaded in my machine. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Now, if I have a code, I need a Nginx web server. Okay, I need a web server to run my application. So I'm taking the help from the Docker only to give me the Nginx and run my application. Okay, now this is little bit tricky part, little bit tough work. Okay, I'm going to my PPT again because I want to teach you directly step by step. As I'm telling, I will teach you everything step by step. So I'm doing the step by step. Okay, now I get a zip file. Here I get a zip file. I have this zip file in my machine. Okay, how to unzip it? Can anyone help me out? How to unzip this file?
Unzip.
Zip minus R.
I have to take some software, my 7-zip or extract all some software. With the help of that, if I will click on extract here, the zip file has been extracted and it will be available here. Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Cool. I am to do the same activity here. So there is a software unzip in the Linux machine. I'm running the command unzip unzip and I'm giving the zip file and I'm pressing enter. But the problem is he's telling unzip software is not available in your machine. This is a new machine. Unzip software is not available. Linux is very smart. Linux is very good. He is giving a command. Run this command. Unzip software will be installed in your machine. Happy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right? I'm doing the same thing. apt install unzip. I just press enter. 80%, 100%, my software has been installed. Now, if I will run the unzip finolex.zip file, as soon as I press enter, something has been opened and one folder has been created, finolex.html. One girl has told that we need HTML code or something. Yes, HTML code is available at this point in front of you guys. Correct? Yes, no.
Yes. Yes.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. If we are done, if your yes is coming, I am ready to run the Nginx container in front of you with the help of Docker software. Docker software has been installed. Okay, we have a code. With the help of Docker software, I am doing some magic in front of you. Okay, but before that magic, before that magic, I would like to ask some technical question. What do you mean by internal IP or external IP? Can anyone explain me what is internal IP, what is external IP?
External IP we can Google.
Public IP is external and internal is private.
Internal IP is a private. Why you need a private connection? If you want to access this machine into the Google Cloud itself, that is called private network, that is called internal network. You all are from the different place. Someone is from Indore, someone is from Bangalore, someone is from Mumbai, someone outside the India as well, right? So I need an external IP. I'm just checking my external IP. Anything is running on this external IP? At this point, nothing is running. I'm giving you this external IP also. Can you check it? Anything is running on this external IP?
No.
Check it first, check it.
No, sir. Only loading wheel is rotating.
It has not internet access.
Nothing. Okay, it's not working. Simple answer is not working. Okay, cool. Now someone was asking the question. Go ahead, ask your question first. Then I will do something in front of you.
Yeah, sir. I was asking. Actually, what is that NG and INX? What does it do?
Okay, cool. Your question is Nginx. Let's assume you don't know. Go to the
Yeah.
Google. Put the enter. Okay. Nginx is a web server. If you want to run any of the web application, Nginx is a software. With the help of this software, you can run any of the web application. Cool.
Yeah, sir. And what is that HTTP? Like, I was really confused in both.
Forget. Okay. At the end. Okay, because some student will more confused with this.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah, sure.
Nginx is a web server. That's it. I want to run a web application, so I need a web server. That's it. Okay. Now I'm taking the help from the Docker and I'm copying this command. This command is a tricky command. Because of this command, you will get 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh package. Right? Yes or no? Yes, no, please.
Yes.
Everyone agree with my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What I did, let me
Yes, sir.
explain you. What I did, I'm telling Docker software, run nginx. Docker software run on the software nginx or run the container nginx on port number 80. What is port number 80?
It is
HTTP.
the
HTTP
default
port.
port used by
If-
Nginx for traffic.
Correct. If any of the website you want to run, that website is running on port number 80. That is by default answer. All the websites are running on port 80. Okay. I'm copying this URL again. Sir, check it on port 80. It is working or not. I'm going into this place, double column 80. I'm pressing with the double column 80 and I'm pressing enter. 80 has been removed because it is on website. It is a smart. Chrome is also very smart. He removed the 80 and he's telling it is not working. Okay. Cool. Now what I'm doing it, I'm just taking this command. I'm taking this command and I'm running in my Linux machine. Okay. I'm running in my Linux machine. As soon as you will say, sir, press enter, I will press the enter. But before that, I need your confirmation. Anything is working on this IP?
No, sir.
No. No.
Nothing is working.
Nothing is working, right? Can I press enter? Can I have your approval to press the enter?
Yes, sir. Please do it.
Sir,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
before that, like, sir, could you repeat this Docker run and nginx?
Okay, see, this is a Docker command. With the help of this Docker command, I will run the nginx container or image with this configuration with the help of Phenolux HTML code on the port number 80. That's it. On the port number 80, nginx will run with the help of this code. That's it. I will explain you in a very deep. Okay, no need to worry. I will explain you in a very deep, but I'm pressing enter at this point. I'm pressing wait. I press enter. Okay. As soon as I press enter, something is downloading, something is extracting, something is created. It's done. He told it's done. Can I check on my website? Anything is running. Guys, can you check it before me?
Sir.
Anything is running?
Our website is running, sir.
Running, sir.
Is this stuff? Is this stuff?
No, sir.
No, sir.
If we know the technology, guys, where this thing gone? 2-5 months time, 1-2 lakh cost, all gone. Yes or no? A lot of
Yes,
things
sir.
has been removed, right? Lot of things has been removed. A small cost, very fast. This has to be achieved with the help of DevOps, okay, or cloud or DevOps engineer. If you will become cloud and DevOps engineer, they are eating everyone's job. They are taking this all money in a monthly basis and they are becoming the cloud and DevOps engineer. And you can able to do all this activity with the simple tools.
Sir, can we make a clone of any website with this with the help of this technology?
Obviously, yes, you can do it. So many students are doing all these things. Okay, I will show you. I can show that part. Okay, if you will come to my website, come this place. Okay, see, so many students are here. So many messages are happening every day. Unable to join, leave it. Okay, see here, my first bucket suffix has created something. It is not working. Leave it. Okay, can anyone check? It is working. See, it was working, but he deleted also. Okay, it was working in the morning. Okay, it's working, but he deleted also. Okay, let's check it. Anything is working or not? Harshak. No, it is not working. But there is one person, Victor. He created a very good website. Okay, I will show you. Victor. Okay, Victor. Shit, it has been removed. Chat has been removed. Okay, let me search it here in the chat only. Control F. Okay, Victor. Okay, I'm just showing. Thanks, it is working. Yes, something. Let me see. No man, people are deleted. Okay, they have deleted that as well. Okay, but I can say that yes, you can clone anything, you can do anything, whatever you want. But in simple short, yes, it is up and running in front of you.
Sir,
So can you,
if you want to make any change in this website, so how we can do this?
can anyone give the answer to Anuj how to do the changes into the website?
For that, we need to make changes in HTML code.
Superb answer. Very good answer. Okay, let's do it in front of you. Okay, I have a code. I'm just unzipping it. Okay, I'm just extracting here. Okay, sorry, it's already there. Okay, yes to all, extract files. Okay, I'm just extracting the file. Okay, with the like Finolex. Okay, Finolex HTML page. Here is the index, guys. It's a little bit technical things, which is none of our business. Okay, we are the DevOps engineer. It is none of our business, but just I'm doing in front of you in just 2 seconds. It is telling cryptocurrency. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Who asked this question? Anuj, right?
Yes, sir.
Anuj, I'm opening this page into my simple answer. I'm opening this code into my Notepad++. Okay. What is the question? What is the thing was coming? Cryptocurrency. I'm just searching crypto. CRYPTO. Okay. Crypto spelling CRYPTO. CRYPTO. Okay. Crypto. Here it is written crypto. Cryptocurrency. Can I write Pratik currency? Who is asking? Anuj, right? ANUJ Anuj. Anuj Bhai currency. Okay. Anuj batch 32 currency. Okay. Batch 32. Okay. I'm just saving this code. Can I refresh this page?
Yes, sir.
I refreshed it. Anuj batch 32 currency is available in front of you.
Sorry, in real time, this
Without
won't work,
saving,
no?
Who told in the real time it's not working? It is working in real time. Who told that it will not work?
No, sir, because there will be a lots of code there and means
Man,
like
man, you are not staying in 2023. Okay, lot of code. It's HTML code. It is working in front of you. What is real time? What is not real time? It is working.
no means like I'm saying, is there any different method like that?
There are so many different methods. Okay, but it
Yeah.
is working in real time in front of you. Don't say it is not working in real time. 100 of people are here. It's already running in real time, right?
Yes, sir.
Like where we deploy on AWS and we clone it and we make the changes again we deploy like that.
Arre,
That way I'm
if you
saying.
have a knowledge, you can fix on fly as well. There is a keyword on fly changes. When any of the issue came, you have to do the changes on fly as well, right? Right?
On fly
Yeah.
means
On fly means on the fly itself, you are performing the activity. That's it.
yeah. Okay.
Right? And yes, it is in my local. If you want to do the changes, you can do the changes into this Linux machine. Then it will be little bit tough, right? Some student will not able to understand. You can go into this file and change it. That's it.
Okay. This is how also it works.
Correct. Sakshi is
Yeah.
telling it is in local machine. I agree. Yes, this is I did into the local machine because it's easy for you all to explain in this way. Right? First day I can't teach the very tough things because some are very, very precious as well here. Correct?
Yes, sir.
can you give the last command which we use, like Docker run?
See, for that we have to understand the Docker thing as well. But at this point, you don't know Docker, right? So you can't understand this thing at this point. Okay, but I will try my best to explain you in a simple way. With the help of Docker, software, I want to run the nginx image, okay, on the port number 80, with the code finolex.html. That's it. Make
what
sense?
is that the SAS root, SAS user, SAS string?
Sai, your voice is not very clear.
You mentioned that one. SAS root, SAS finox.html. That path, what is that path?
This is a path. This is a path. If you will see here, type pwd. What is pwd command? Present working directory.
Present
Correct?
directory.
If I will press enter, /root and finolex.html is the location. So here it is written /root finolex.html.
उसके आगे क्या है?
उसके आगे क्या है? After that, it is the location of the nginx. Means code has to be supposed to be available into the HTML folder. That is into the nginx image location. See, in my this local machine also, let me tell you, okay, in this my local machine also the code is available from user, local, administrator, download location, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Same way, it's a location from wherever it is supposed to be picked. It is picking from this location. That's it.
Okay.
How to find that path, sir, in
Sir.
that SAS user?
See, if you will use nginx, you will be aware about it, right? At this point, do you have a knowledge on nginx?
No, sir.
Right?
No.
We don't have the knowledge on nginx, so it
we
is
create-
difficult at this
We
point.
created in Ubuntu, but you made changes in Windows.
Man, that's why I don't want to confuse you. Okay, that's why I don't want to confuse. That's why I don't want to go more deeper into it. Are you agree?
Yes.
Yeah, yes,
Yes.
sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So don't ask
Sir.
unnecessary questions. Please, please, please. Don't ask any of the here and there questions. Otherwise, other person will get confused. Okay. Let me explain you for next 30 minutes. Okay. Then I will give a chance to ask anything. Fine.
Yeah,
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Cool. Leave it. Forget about this part. Okay. Forget about this thing. Chalo. Let's come into the Harish, mute yourself, please. Okay. Let's come into the actual thing. Okay. What I want to say to you, if we have a knowledge, we can create the application. And if you are thinking it's not real time, you are wrong. It is into the real time because I have developed into my GCP cloud and you are able to access in your mobile phone or laptop or anywhere. It is a real-time web-based application. Okay. Right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Now, whatever we did in front of you, first I take the infrastructure, virtual machine, and operating system. That is, I took an unfurnished house or unfurnished server from the Google Cloud, that is infrastructure as service. I took it. After that, I installed Docker and Nginx, two software I have installed, means I created as a platform as a service. Okay. After that, I put as a application, I put the code as well, that is called software as a service. I took the infrastructure from the Google Cloud. Okay. I did Docker, Nginx, website. This three part I did as a DevOps engineer. If I'm a DevOps engineer, I will do this activity and I will give a service to you. And this is a service which is running in front of you and you are accessing it as a service. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes,
Cool.
sir.
Good. Okay, good. Now, I want to take one more example. I would like to take one more example. Windows 11. If I will ask the question with you, okay, let me ask some questions so that people will understand it's a problem or it's a good thing. Okay, I would like to install Windows 11 in my machine. Okay, anyone here who want to install the Windows 11, but you are facing some errors, some problems? Your hardware haven't support Windows 11. Anyone here in this group? Yes, no. Anyone here in this group?
No, sir.
No,
No,
sir.
everyone is using Windows 11. I don't trust.
No, I am
Sir,
using
I,
Windows 7.
Oh,
I'm unable to support Windows 11.
Yes, who is that girl?
sir,
Honey, right? Honey,
sir,
you
I
are
am using
telling.
Windows
Exactly.
10.
Yes, Honey and Hitesh are telling their hardware is not supporting to run Windows 11. But let's assume you get a requirement, you have to do some testing on Windows 11, or you are excited to see Windows 11, but practically it is not possible for you. Are you agree? It is practically not possible,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, yes,
So what is the solution? Or before going into the solution, if I will tell you, you are running in Windows 10, okay, and you want to move to the Windows 11. Manually, how much time or what all things you have to do it? Can you please give me the answer?
Half hour,
Can you give me the answer?
half hour or 1 hour.
30 minutes, okay, or 1 hour, okay, fine. Or what all things has to be do?
First, they will need to upgrade their infrastructure.
Correct. Either
Bootable.
hardware you have to upgrade it, okay. One thing,
We have
okay.
to make it bootable PD.
Correct. Bootable, BOOTABL, bootable pen drive. Okay, CD, so we CD gone. Okay, pen drive at least. Okay, what else? You will download. Okay, you will download the Windows DWNLD, download Windows 10. Okay, then make a bootable pen drive and then you will install it. Correct. Simple, straightforward approach. Otherwise, you will go with the automation. Windows 10 itself will give the upgrade option. You have to do this by upgrade option. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
yes, sir.
it will take 30 minutes. Okay, and this will take 2 hours. Right? Are you agree? Option 1, option 2.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. OPTIO and option 2. These are the two options, 30 minutes and 2 hours to approach. Okay, I'm giving you another approach. Okay, means I'm doing the Windows 11 emulator in front of you. It's not an actual Windows 11. It's a emulator code, means it has been written into the Windows. It has been written into the React language to just play with the Windows 11 or to do the testing or to take the feasibility of Windows 11. Okay, So what I'm doing it, I'm running this command. Okay, I'm taking the help from the Docker itself. I'm taking this command. Where is this command? I'm copying this command. I'm putting in my notepad. Okay, I'm just taking this command Docker, and it is telling run on 3000 port. Let me check it. Anything is running on 3000 port. Where is the 3000 port? I'm copying this. Double column 3000 port. Anything is running on 3000 port. At this point, for me, nothing is running. Can you check it? Anything is running in your environment? 3000 port. I given the URL. Please check it.
No,
sir, no running.
No, sir.
It's not running, right?
Yes, sir.
I already have an infra. INFERA. Okay, INFERA. I already have infra means I already have a VM. I already have a Docker install. Okay, everything is ready, right? So if the Docker is already installed, I have to just run one more command and one more application will be up and running. I'm just running it. Let's see the magic and then we will discuss into that part. Can I have your permission? Can I run this command? Can I press the enter?
Sir,
Yes,
for
sir.
this we need to
Yes, sir.
download
Yes, sir.
zip.
You don't have to do anything. It's Docker. Docker will do everything for you. You are writing that Docker do this all things. Docker will do for you.
Okay, sir.
Can I press enter if you are allowing me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I am pressing enter. As soon as I press enter, it is unable to find the image. It is pulling the image. It is downloading the image. It is extracting the image. And he's telling done. In next 5 seconds is done. Can you go and check it before me? It is working or not something. I'm going into that. I'm just refreshing the page. And it is running Windows 11 emulator, which has been written into the React application. 12:42 4 November Saturday. It is up and running. I'm just clicking on sign in, and yes, Windows 11 open source project for just playing or replication of the Windows 11 desktop experience. You can take it from here. Okay, understood. And it is up and running. Guys, is this running for you?
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. It is
Yes or
running.
no?
Yeah, it is running.
For everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This whole problem
Sir, it's
gone.
running.
This whole
Yes,
problem
sir.
gone. It is running in dev environment. It is not running in QA environment. Everything, the deployment and everything is just a 2-minute work. Yes or no? Earlier we are
Yes, sir.
taking 1 day time. We are planning for 1 month. Then we will do the deployment. Now everything is just 2 minutes with the help of simple command. If you know this command, you are able to perform all this activity. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Everyone
Yes, sir.
agree?
Yes, sir.
Single server, multiple applications are running. Yes, possible, because I'm running on port 80 this thing. In the port number 3000 I'm running this. This is not a good practice, but yeah, we can run multiple application into the single server. Cool. For this, to do this all activities, what is the bare minimum requirement? What is the requirement? You have to become a knowledge. Hardware is okay. Hardware, so we will get it on the cloud, right? What is the bare minimum requirement? You have to be a knowledgeable person.
Basic knowledge should be there.
Knowledge will be required. Okay. And this knowledge you have to learn from somewhere. Agree?
Yes, sir.
And we are going to here, okay, to provide you this knowledge. We are going here to provide you all these things. If you want to become cloud and DevOps engineer, I have a solution for you. The solution is here in front of you. You can go to my website. You can open the syllabus. Okay. If you want to become a cloud or DevOps engineer, the answer is available here. See this syllabus. I'm giving you this link. Okay. I'm giving you this link and feel that you are already aware about this link. You can go into this place, device syllabus. Every day, what we are going to learn. It's just a 1 day we are learning 1.5 hours. Okay. In 1 day, you can't become a DevOps engineer, but you can become a little bit knowledgeable person. Okay. This is a 2.5 months program, which I'm organizing it for my students. Okay. Already so many students has been trained, already get a job in a very good companies. Okay. But here is the syllabus, day 1, day 2, day 3. We are going to teach you all these things and I can make you the DevOps engineer. At this point in my current batch, we reach into the day 17 already. Networking we have already completed. So mute yourself. in the batch 32, we have already completed the day 17. Who want to become a DevOps engineer, you are feel free to come from the Monday class and learn with me. Okay, means Monday we are starting the Git, the DevOps journey. Okay, the DevOps part we are starting from the Monday. You are feel free to learn with me if you are interested. Sir, if I am interested, how can it possible? You can go here. There is a second link, 8 a.m. IST. You just have to click here. There is a form. Okay, you just have to fill this form. Okay, you just have to provide your name, and all the classroom links are available here. Okay, you will just provide this form and register, and Monday 8 a.m. IST, you are welcome to my class. Okay, we will learn, we will complete this part first. Okay, the pending which is related to the AWS we will complete, and we will continue into the DevOps journey. Sir, I have another problem. What is the problem? Sir, I missed 20 classes. Is I am able to understand? Yes, you will understand everything because this is a part to DevOps engineer. I will make a DevOps engineer. Sir, what about the first thing? The cloud is missing. I will teach you the cloud into the next batch. We will provide you the full access of the recording. You can continue. You can continue in this batch. You can come into the next batch also completely. We will not ask any question. If you are coming in between, you can come into my next batch also and learn everything. What basically we learned today? We learned the day 30 part. Okay, just an overview of virtual machine, overview of little bit of Docker. Okay, and we just do no, these practicals are not here because these practicals are high level, just a good for view purpose. Okay, I have to teach you in my classes the deep things. Okay, means how to create, how to pull the nginx image, how to create an image, how to create your containers. Okay, all the steps, architecture design I have to teach. Okay, I have to create an nginx container, run the web application. One practical will be there, but this time I will teach you with the help of volume. This time I took the ready-made code, but in the actual class I will put the code inside it and I will run it. Okay, and I will create how to create a Jenkins. I will teach you how to create a Docker files, how to build it, how to create an nginx server, how to take it, how to push it, and all these operations, whatever I was showing it, I'm going to explain you in my real-time classes, which is available in this place. Okay, this all things we are going to discuss in the class today. Basically, what we did, we take the help from the Docker Hub. We just pull the image and we run it. We pull the image and we created the container and it is running. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What we did, we just pull the image, we pull the Windows 11 emulator image, we pull the nginx image, and we just run the docker run command, and the container is created and it is running. Looks good. But sir, lot of things are still pending. Docker file creation, coding, building, pushing, commands, so many things are pending. I will tell you what all things are pending. Okay, I will show you. Let me go here. Let's go in this slide only. Okay, what we did basically at this point, we just run the high level application with the help of Cloud and DevOps tool. Okay, but what exactly the Docker is? We have to create multiple applications with the help of Docker practicals. Okay, I have to teach you the very important, the process of software installation. I will teach you the multiple approaches if one person want to, one application want to go to the another environment, like a static application, web-based application, background application, database application, analytics. These are the different application has to go into the different environment, development environment, QA server environment, production environment, on-site environment, public cloud, private cloud, and so many different places. We have to move our application into the different classes, different environments. Is that possible? We can go like this. We take the help from any of the vehicle, put all the items and go from one place to another. Is this a good approach? No.
No, sir.
See, this is okay approach. Okay, means giving a phone in an unassembled way. Okay, it will work or not work, we are not sure. But if we'll pack this all things in a proper containers, definitely it will work. We can pack our application in this form. We can pack in a proper way so that it will work into any of the places in a straightforward way. We will teach you. I will teach you what is container, what is the problems, what is the solution, what is the client approach, why they are fighting. Developers are people are fighting, operation people are fighting. What is developer work? What is operation people work? Lot of things related to the Docker, lot of Docker nodes, images, containers, what exactly the Docker is, what are the definitions of Docker. Let me tell you the definition of Docker. Docker is a container development service. Docker is a container development service. With the help of Docker, you can develop the software, you can ship the software, or you can run the application or software any place. Means you can develop. At this point, I have taken the develop thing. Okay, you can ship, you can from one place to another. Yes, I also, when I did this run the command, when I run this command, it is shifted from one place to another. It has been pulled from some place to my place, and it is running in my environment. Okay. Can anyone tell me any of the technical answer? How can I check? On the UI, so I checked it. It is up and running. But how can I check in with the help of this machine? It is up and running. What is the command?
PS command.
I run the PS command, and answer is here. With the PS command, I'm getting some running processes of my Linux machine. What is the correct command? What is the complete command or correct command?
Docker PS.
Docker PS. Okay, Docker PS. As soon as I run the Docker PS command, I will get the answer. Docker related processes has to be shown. I'm just running and I get to know that yes, two processes are running. One is Blue Edge, another is Nginx. Two things are running. One is running on 3000 port, another is running on port 80. Yes, two things are running. That's why my two applications are running. Guys, tell me, can I shut down or can I stop any of the process? At this point, I just want to prove one more time. My Windows 11 thing is running. Yes, it is up and running. My this application currency application is also up and running, right? Is this running for both all of you?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
no?
sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Tell me which application
sir,
I
yes,
have
sir.
to make it down. I want to make one application down.
Windows 11.
Windows 11. Can I do Windows 11? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. My requirement came, I want to down the Windows 11. I want to do it a technical way. Okay. Windows 11, this is this one. Okay. It is at this point, it is running. Okay. From the last 9 minutes. From 9 minutes ago, it has been created. And from the 9 minutes ago, it is running. Now I want to stop it. Can anyone tell me the command, how to stop it?
Docker delete container ID.
Docker delete, man. My requirement is to
Docker
stop.
stop.
Docker stop.
My
Docker
requirement
stop
is
container
Docker
ID.
stop. Why you are deleting it? Don't give the wrong answer.
Kill the
Docker.
process.
I don't want to kill. I just want to stop. Okay. Docker stop. Okay. Docker stop. Give this IP. Give this container ID, and I'm pressing enter. Can I press enter?
Yes, sir.
I just press enter. Docker stop, and it has been. It is. It is taking time. 10-20 seconds. Okay. And it has been stopped. Yes, this container has been stopped. With the help of Docker PS command, I'm checking it. At this point, only one is coming. Okay. Can you check it? It is running because for me, I'm telling it is stopped. Can I refresh it? It is not running. Correct?
Yes, sir.
It is not running. Cool. Means I want to say that we have to understand the back end, we have to understand the front end. Okay, I will teach you all these things. Okay, plus I have to teach a lot of things. Okay, what is Docker Hub? What is virtualization? With the help of Docker Hub, how many ways we can create it? At this point, I just install the Docker with the help of approach, with the help of apt-get update, or with the help of apt install command. I have installed it. But there are so many approaches are there. If you want to install in Windows, this is the approach. If you want to install with the scripting approach, I will teach you with the scripting approach. With the help of easy approach, playground. Okay, you can go here. I'm just opening this playground. Okay, I'm copying this URL. Yes, can anyone tell me creation of Linux machine is tough? Please tell me how many clicks I did in the last time?
225.
How many clicks I did in the last time? 5 clicks, right? Are yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I took 5 clicks and
Yes,
I'm able
sir.
to create a virtual machine. Chalo. Now I'm logging with the Docker. Guys, I'm going into this URL. I'm giving you this URL also. This is called playground. I will teach the things into the playground. I'm just logging into the Docker. See my screen, please. See my screen. Okay, it is asking username. Let me sign in. Okay, I just sign in. Okay, with my Docker account, I just sign in. I'm getting the option start. I just start it. Okay, means I'm just landed into this place. Can anyone tell me virtual machine creation is tough? Please tell me. Are please tell me.
No.
No,
sir.
why? Acha, tell me, how many clicks are required to create one virtual machine?
5.
5. Okay.
In this one click.
In this,
one.
just one click. Okay. I'm into the home page. Guys, at this point, I don't have any virtual machine. I'm just requesting, I just click one time. Can I click one time?
Yes,
Can I
sir.
click? I just click one time and machine is ready. With the just one click, one machine is ready, node 1. Can I click again? The another machine will come. Can I click again?
Yes, sir.
I'm doing another click and another machine is ready. Another first machine was dot 13, another is dot 12, node 1, node 2. You need one more machine, just click one more time and another machine is ready. Is this tough?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Guys, nothing is simpler than one click. Right? Just one click and the machine is ready. That's it. If we know the things are available into the market. If we don't know the things, it will be very tough. If you know the things, yes, it is possible. You can learn, you can do and able to do the things in a very simple way. Now, no credit card, nothing required. You just have to create an account and you have to use the playground, and all the Linux machine, Docker machines are available for you. For whatever you want, you can do it for the learning purpose. Correct? If you want to learn the Linux, you can run the Linux command. Tell me some Linux commands, please. Linux commands, please.
Desktop.
HTOP,
PWD,
PWD, present working directory, PWD. Yes, it is a current location. Touch, TOLS. Okay. LS. Okay, with the help of LS. Yeah, with the help of LS, I'm not getting anything because I don't have any file. MKDIR, make directory. Who is giving the answer? Gopi, GOPI. Okay, make directory. I created a directory with the help of LS. I can see. Means I'm telling you can learn the Linux also here free of cost. That's it. Okay, free of cost. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 machines. You can learn whatever you want. Okay. Cool. So means I want to say that I will teach you this many approaches to perform the activity. I will teach you into the best easy way, that is playground. I will teach you into the actual Linux machine. I will teach you into the local machine. I will teach you all the approaches. I will teach everything into the multiple approaches. Okay. After that, what is node, Docker commands. Okay. I will teach you how to use the application into the different environment, different applications. Okay. Some use cases or some good practice for the project level thing. Yes, we will do that part. Okay. Architecture design, we will do it. We will understand the architecture of Docker. Okay, we will create our first container. We will create a hello world container. We will run the application. Okay, we will create a container. I will explain you all the things, whatever has been written in my sheet. I will explain you everything. Okay, Docker or Ubuntu operating system, I will create it. I will install Git. I will install Python. I will install Ansible. Whatever things I will teach, all these things. I will give the comparison. What is virtual machine? Why the virtual machine has been failed, and why the containers are coming with the picture. Can you give me the answer? Why the virtual machine concept is getting failed, and why the containers are getting very popular at this point?
It is
Yep.
because there is a
resource
failure.
Resource failure. Okay, I agree. Any other answer?
Sir, is lightweight.
It is lightweight. Yes. Can anyone prove it? It's a lightweight. I can prove it. This is my machine. Okay, this is my Linux machine. I want to see how many images are there. I'm just running the command docker images. I'm running the command docker images, and you can see 2 images are there. Windows 11, which is a React one. It is in 156 MB. In 156 MB, my emulator of Windows 11 is running 156 MB. My Nginx web application, which is running on 187 MB. That's it. In 187 MB, my complete application was running in front of you. Not was running, is running in front of you. Okay, it is still running in front of you. This application which is running, it is in 186 MB, 187 MB. This is very lightweight. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right, it is very lightweight. Yes, as compared to actual operating system, this will be, otherwise the size will be we have written, yeah, the size will be 10 GB, and at this point it is 167 MB. There is a difference, yes or no? 10 GB versus 167 MB.
Sir.
Right? This is very heavy. This is very light. Okay. Cool. Good. That's why people are moving into the Docker side. That's why this is a future. It is achievable with the help of Docker. Cool. Yes. No.
Yes.
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 Cool. Good. Okay. Nice. Okay. Chalo. Let's go to the another thing. Okay. After learning this, we will see the comparison. We will start the container. Today only I stop it in front of you. Running container with the help of Docker stop command, we can stop it. I will teach you how to pause it, how to kill it, how to stop, and which use case, what to do. Okay. Because it's not, if someone is telling to stop, you will kill it. That's the wrong answer, right? In the interview, this thing happen. So you have to give the very accurate answer in the interviews because we are preparing for the interviews as well. I will give all the interviews questions as well. Okay. What all the commands are required. I will perform all the commands in front of you. I will teach what exactly the Nginx is. At this point, Nginx we have seen as a web server, but Nginx is not only a web server. It's a proxy, it's a HTTP traffic, it's a web server, it's a load balancer, and so many activities can Nginx can do. If you don't know the answer, go to the Google, just type Nginx, pressing enter. Nginx is a web server that can use as a reverse proxy, load balancer, mail proxy, HTTP caches. Yes, Nginx can do all these things just with the single server. Okay. And we are going to see that part. We are going to pull the Nginx image. We will just run the Nginx on the port 80 with the Nginx homepage. We will convert it with the HTML code. We will create our own code. And with the help of -v volume, I will teach you all these things. Plus, I will not teach the HTML. Okay. I will not teach. It's not our business. Developer will do, but I will teach you how to do the changes into this place and I will perform the activity. Okay. I will install the Jenkins in the Docker machine. Okay. And I will show that how the Jenkins is running into the Docker machine. Okay. We will write a Docker file. We will develop the Docker file. We will do all this activity, developing, building, image creation, running, and so many different activities. Okay. These all things we have to do it. I will give you the specific commands related to the Docker file. I will teach you this all things, how to push the image to the Docker Hub. What is the work of DevOps engineers or what all things? Docker file has to be written by the developer. DevOps engineer will build it and create an image. DevOps engineer will run this image and create a container. And operation team or production engineer team will maintain this container. That is the flow. Means as a DevOps engineer, what all things is our responsibility, I will show it to you and I will do in front of you. I will show you some operation related activities. I will show you so many different activities. I will give the Docker cheat sheet so that you will able to remember the things. You will able to monitor the things, troubleshooting the issue, and so many things. It's not the end, but yeah, so many other things are also there. Troubleshooting, and then at the end, I will say you this all things we will complete it. Then after learning the containers, we will go into any of the cloud as per your choice, but I will go into the Google Cloud because this is a Honda. This is a Tesla in terms of different cars. Okay, this is very matured, very good. And Kubernetes has been developed by the Google Cloud. So in the tomorrow class, after seeing this container, we will go into the Google Cloud and we will develop the little bit project or one project. If time permits, we will run the project also and we will create into the Google Cloud. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
then,
sir.
Then you can write Docker.
Yes,
Then
sir.
you can write Docker in your resume. You can give the interviews and you can crack the interviews. But you will become a Docker engineer only. Right? And there is no Docker engineer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? If you want to become a DevOps engineer, yes, definitely it's a requirement or it's a good thing that you have to come, you have to understand all these things. You have this page, okay, you have this page, you can go through this syllabus. I will tell you in a very high level what exactly it is. Okay. Yeah. Very first means we have to learn all these things. It's a module based 2.5 months learning program. Okay. In the 2.5 months, we will start the things from the DevOps foundation. I will make your DevOps foundation. You will be aware about everything. I will teach you the Linux. I will teach you the AWS cloud in the module 3. After that, in the module 4, which we are starting from the Monday. Okay. That is Git, GitHub and Jenkins. In the module 4, I will teach In the module 5, Docker and Kubernetes I'm going to teach to you. Then Ansible and Terraform in the module 6 I will teach to you. After that, in the module 7, Python shell scripting or some scripting knowledge if required. I will teach to you because some people are asking into the interview. Okay, and I'm going to teach to you. I'm going to Prometheus, Grafana, Helm also, which is a Kubernetes related thing, monitoring system. I'm going to teach to you. Plus, I'm going to teach you the 3 real-time projects as well related to everything in this project. You will able to see the comparison. You will able to touch all the points of everything in the 2.5 months, whatever we are learning, and then we will go for interviews and we will get a job as well. We will provide you the referrals. Okay, we will create your resume. We will take your mock interviews and we will make a DevOps engineer and cloud engineer to you. And it's not a single cloud engineer. Okay, if you will see why this image was not coming, okay, leave it. If I will show that it is a multi-cloud. Okay, because in the starting I will help you out with the Google Cloud. I will help you out with the AWS Cloud. So I'm telling it's a multi-cloud DevOps engineer profile. Okay, I'm going here. Let me show this image properly. No, I don't have. Let me show you. 1 second. Just give me a moment. And guys, now you are feel free to ask any question, whatever is in your mind. Okay, just give me a moment. Just give me some couple of seconds. Okay. Yeah, here is that which we are going to do in front of you. Okay, we are going to learn all these things in the 2.5 month duration. Every day, Monday to Friday, 8 AM IST. Cool. Yes, no, please.
Sir.
Yes.
Good. Guys, yeah,
Yes.
now you are feel free to ask any question, whatever you have. Go ahead.
My question is, what is the
Kalpesh,
cost of your...
Kalpesh, 1 second. Switch on the camera. It will be more interactive. Okay. Yeah, Kalpesh, go ahead.
Yes, sir. My question is like, what is the cost of your this course?
Okay. See, at this point, I'm not asking anything. Come to my live classes. Okay. See it. You are able to understand. You are able to get the points or not. How was the today's class? First, give me the answer. You are able to understand what I'm trying to deliver?
Yeah, I'm able to understand that, and that's wonderful. I am catching everything whatever you're
Then come
teaching.
from Monday. I'm telling you very simple answer. Come from Monday class. Okay. At least take 1 or 2 actual batch class. Okay. This is just a demo presentation, right? This is just a workshop. I want you to come to the class. How you will come? Go to my website. Okay. Go to my website. In the website, okay, on the top only, there is a link, 8 AM IST. You can just click here. Just provide this detail. Monday, 8 AM IST, come to my class. And tomorrow we have a Kubernetes overview also. Just come to the tomorrow class as well and come to this batch as well. Fine?
Yeah.
Good. And cost is not much as compared to the deliveries. Cost is not a much thing. Okay. But you will get a real-time things. You will get a real-time implementer and we will do in front of you.
Okay. So, could you tell me the cost? Like, I will link and I will join it.
If the cost is a big thing, let me bring in front of you. Okay.
No, not a big
no,
thing.
it's okay. Because see, I don't want to hide. I'm very straightforward person. I don't want to hide anything. Okay. The cost is in front of you. Guys, listen everyone. Okay. If you will go and learn AWS anywhere, it will charge you 10,000 rupees. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Minimum 10,000 rupees they will charge you for 10 services. Okay. If you will go to the anywhere and learn the Google Cloud, you will pay 8 to 5K or 10K for the Google Cloud as well. Sir, why we have to learn 2 cloud? It will be good because the companies are demanding multi-cloud engineer, hybrid cloud engineer. At this point, the demand is they are not stuck with single cloud. They are looking for the multi-cloud engineers at this point, hybrid cloud engineer. That's why you have to learn the 2 clouds. Okay. When you will learn the driving also, they will teach you from the 2 cars, not from the 1 car. Otherwise, you will be depend on the 1 car only. Are you agree? Right?
Yeah.
Kalpesh is
Yes, sir.
understood, right? So
Yes, sir.
you have to learn the driving from the 2 cars. That's it. Okay. When you will learn the cycle also, you will bring your friend cycle and you will see that, yeah, it is same or not. Right? Yes. That's why we will teach both the things. If you will go anywhere and learn the DevOps, they will charge you minimum 12K because 10 tools will come into the picture. Git, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Terraform, Prometheus, Grafana, monitoring, shell scripting, Python. I'm going to teach you all these things into this place. That's why it is a 2.5 month regular batch. Okay. After that, if you will learn separately from somewhere, AWS, they will give one project, Google Cloud, they will give one project, and they will give or not give. But I will give you 3 projects and 30 practicals. Okay. Today we did one practical right in front of you. Are you agree?
Yes, sir.
Like that,
Yes,
we
sir.
will do the 30 practicals in the class. Sir, are you sure you will do? Yes, we are sure. I will give it to you. Sir, can you prove? Yes, I can prove. Classroom. We will go to the classroom. Okay. We have a Google Classroom, LMS system. Okay. If you will see, these are my batch 32 students. Okay. They are doing the practicals. Okay. Sir, where is the practical? Can you show? Practical number 5. If you will click here, okay, you will see out of 40 students, 8 students has did this practical. Here is the handovers. Right? You are able to see? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? If you will go here, practical number 3, okay, 12 comments are there. Okay, if you will see here, 26 students out of 26, 22 students has did the practical number 3. That's a good point. Yes or no?
Yes.
So if you will see my syllabus, there are so many practicals are there. In the first week, there is no practical, but when the AWS will get started, practical 1, practical 2, practical 3, practical 4, practical 5, every day you will do one practical. 40% theory, 60% practical. Even today also, 40% theory, 60% practical. Same way we will approach. Okay. And yes, let's go more into that part. After that, yes, you will do the practicals. If you have a gap or something, I will give you the training certificate as well. We will verify that as well. Okay, you don't have to worry. 6 months, 3 months, okay, because you are learning with us, so we will give you the training certificate. You will go anywhere, they will charge you 10,000 rupees, 5,000 for that, right? Okay, and if you want to prove that you are a technical person, if you are a non-technical person, you want to prove that certificate will help you out. We will give you this training certificate. Mock interview, because if you will go anywhere, no one will take your mock interview. Every day, Wednesday, 9 p.m., I will take your mock interview and I will prepare you for every topic, because every 1 week we will complete one module, right? Guys, yes or no?
Yes.
Are everyone? Not, I'm not talking only with
Yes,
Kalpit, I'm
sir.
talking
Yes, sir.
every week we
Yes,
will
sir. Yes,
complete.
sir.
Yes,
or
yes,
in
yes.
1 week, whatever we
Yes,
will learn, we will take your mock interviews. It's unlimited. You can come after 1 month, after 2 months, after 6 months. We don't have any issue. Every Wednesday, 9 p.m. is a mock interview. You come and give the mock interviews to us. Day 45 is an extra topic. What is day 45, sir? If you will come into the day 45, okay, here any of the extra topic, because you are giving the interviews in 45 days, you become the mature, right? You already given some interviews, your resume is ready. If you feel that, sir, I want to learn any other topic like Splunk, I want to learn YAML, I want to learn AWS DevOps, I want to learn migration, I want to learn Rancher, whatever it is, like we are asking in front of you, see, student choice, extra topic day 45, whatever you want to learn, you can give your choice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever is your choice. Based on the decision, based on your interest, we will teach you the extra topic as well, which you will not get from anywhere. Are you agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Plus,
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
resume making, we will teach you how to create a resume. I will improve your Naukri profile. After doing this Naukri profile, you will get lot of calls. I can prove that. Okay, I can prove in my previous batch 31. Okay, let's see, let me show. Okay, I'm opening. How can I see what is the name of the person? INTER view calls. Okay, 1 second, let me just search it. Okay, why it is not coming? CALLS. 29 things are there. See, yeah, I get a call. Okay, means we are providing the interview questions for essential. We are providing the interview calls. Less experience, 1 year experience, not up to 10 lakhs. Okay, yeah, I get a call. Okay, people are getting a calls. Okay, I will show something good thing. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, cool. Chalo, I got the thing. Okay, here it is. Okay, I created my Naukri profile after optimization. Okay, I created my Naukri profile today morning 5 a.m. I get a call. I started getting a call from the 9:30 a.m. As of now, 6 calls he get it in the 1 day. Okay, and after that, I saw your resume while reviewing it itself. I told that you will get lot of calls. Algorithm will pick and give the lot calls. After some time, at the 1 p.m., he told that I get a 23 interview calls in the 1 day. Guys, able to see? Are yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This type of optimization we will do into the Naukri profile so that you don't have to depend on anybody to get a calls, right? If you get a calls by own, if you are prepared, you have a knowledge, you will able to crack the interview. That's it. Yes or no? We will teach you all these things. Okay, that all things will be there in this part, how to improve your Naukri profile, how to optimize it so that you will get a call. You will get a call lifetime. You don't have to go anywhere for the interview calls, right? You can trust on Naukri, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, right? After that, yes, we have a big community. Okay, you will get a help from everyone, you will get a support, okay, which is countless, and you can post the questions into your WhatsApp group. As you will see that so many this thing after this, okay, I will just close this, and you will see that everywhere the students are getting a whatever the issues are getting is getting resolved. Okay, everywhere whatever the students are practicing, see, yes, good confidence also. See now, see here, uh, 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 people are doing the practical. See, working load balancer, he created, see, Victor, he created the load balancer, and you will see that this is Victor website. Okay, he is restarting it, and see, Vector works up 2 1 2 1 2, right? So I'm telling that this all things are students are doing the practicals, working and balancing here. Means people are getting the confidence, they're encouraging each other. If they're facing the issue, they're asking the questions and issues are getting resolved. See, student is asking the question, not working, working, right? People are getting a group to learn with each other. Yes or no? Are you agree?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? These all things you will get it. If you will go anywhere, they will charge you minimum 65,000 rupees for sure. Okay. And we are providing it's in the 25,000 rupees only for the 2 batches. I'm not telling by any reason, if you miss the batch, you are coming in middle, you are going home, Diwali, New Year, whatever it is. Okay. Night shift, day shift, going on site, anywhere. Every reason is acceptable. You will allow to come into my 2 batches because you are already my student. You can come to my 1 batch, 2 batch, doesn't matter. Are you agree? Yes or no? If you want to
Yes.
revise it, you are feel free to revise in the another batch as well. You will get everything in the 25K for the 2 batches actually.
So
Cool.
your classes are also available physically.
See, physically we are in Bangalore, but it's very difficult because if you will see here, why I'm not telling this, why I'm telling, see, Victor is not from India, right? He is from another country, right? You don't have a competition only with the one city, right?
Yeah.
It's not a good approach. Okay. And physical, people are not going at this point. People are not interested to go into the physical. See, this is any problem in this? No, right? You can, from your comfort, from any of the location, you can connect, and we are connecting on the Zoom.
Actually, what my problem is, I'm not able to connect that much virtually. So physically, I get understand
I
and
will
clear.
see, physically it will be very difficult, buddy, because timings are very difficult. Okay, 1 point. Second problem, virtually we will give you the recording. As you will get a recording of this class, you can revise it multiple times. But physically, how you will revise it? If you miss the class, it's missed. Correct?
Yeah, right.
Right. And it's a big problem because technical things, whatever I teach, this much technical things, are you able to remember everything on the same day? No. But
No,
if it's a recording, you can record, you can watch it anytime. I will show you. Okay. I will show you. Okay. This is my batch 32 video drive. Okay. You will see that day 1, day 2, all the video recordings are available here, right? You can revise it as much as many times as per your time convenience. The recordings are available into the YouTube as well. Okay, some recordings we are putting into the YouTube. You are feel free to watch the recordings on the YouTube. If you will come to this page, you will able to see the recording day 1, day 2, day 3 recordings on the YouTube as well. This is easy, right?
Yes.
yes, sir.
Yes, I will share you all the slides, everything in my Google Drive. Okay. As soon as the class will get complete, all the PPT and recordings are coming directly into your Google Drive automatically. Okay. We have an automated system. This is the PPT drive. All the PPTs will come into this place automatically.
Sir,
And
is
you
it
will
limited access or lifetime access?
see, I can't take the lifetime guarantee. That's the problem. Okay. But it will be there. It's in Google Drive. It will be there. If anything goes in 1 year of duration, you can message me. I will fix it very immediately. Okay. I can show you. I have written this thing because writing a lifetime is a big problem. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right. If I will say lifetime, People will come after 6 months or after 2 years, after 5 years, and they will say that, sir, it's you told lifetime. No, I'm telling it's a 1 year, complete 1 year from the batch started. If any of the issue, I will fix it. Okay, but it will be available. Now, it will not go anywhere. It's in the Google Drive, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Guys, everyone agree?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Yes.
it will not go
Yes, sir.
anywhere. Okay,
Yes, sir.
all the links are here: PPT drive, video drive, classroom link, GitHub link, YouTube playlist. Guys, if by any reason if you miss any of the thing, okay, you can revise it any of the time. All the links are available into the group description. Okay, but see, sometime some drive may not work after 2-3 years. That is possible. Okay, because see, Google Classroom has deleted it, or any of the reason happen, GitHub deleted or something. There may be chances, but if anything happen in 1 year, I will be the sole responsible. I will fix it, but I can't take the lifetime guarantee. Is that okay?
Hello, Vikas.
Is that okay? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, next question. Guys, switch on the camera.
hello, Vikas.
Switch
Hello,
on the
Vikas.
camera. Raghav, switch on the camera. It will be more interactive. Go ahead. Guys, switch
Yeah,
on the
Vikas.
camera. Yeah, Raghav, go ahead.
Yeah, Vikas. Thank you for this session. And my question is related to so which we after completion of this Spotify course in the DevOps and the AWS and other Google or Azure, any kind of multi cloud technologies.
Yep.
So how frequently which we are using in the DevOps tools as well as cloud services in the AI and ML projects?
See, it's in the AI ML. Lot of things means AI ML is completely on the AWS and Google Cloud. Okay, Azure to forget it. Azure is not supporting the AI ML things. Okay, one thing.
Okay.
Second thing, it depends on the project as well. How much automation you need. Okay, so based
Okay.
on the project, but these are the very common tool. Git 100% used by every company. Jenkins 90% used by company. Docker, Kubernetes, if they understood, they will definitely use it. And Docker, Kubernetes is an environment which has to be means AI, ML, machine learning. What blockchains applications are developing only on the Kubernetes environment at this point. Okay, because every architecture is going into the microservice. Have you
Okay.
heard this word?
Yes.
Okay, so everyone is become microservice based application. Architecture is moving into the Kubernetes. So you don't have to worry. Everyone is moving into that. And all the tools, whatever we are going to learn, this is the most popular tool. But if you will see the world, okay, I will show you one image because the question came. If you will see this image, practically, is that possible to learn all these tools? No,
No.
right? Everyone
No.
agree? It's not possible to learn these all tools. We have divided into the category, and we are going to teach all these tools based on the categories.
Yeah, thank you for the info. Because in addition to the same question, so which the companies are using the developing the applications like by using AI and ML in that applications developing, is there using that cloud services also in that, or else is there in other services are using while deploying the applications or
Primarily
while
cloud services. Okay. AI, ML, they are, if they want to deploy, if they need an infra, they are taking the Kubernetes infrastructure. Okay.
Okay.
And Kubernetes can be anywhere in the Google Cloud, in the AWS, it can be Azure, anywhere.
Okay. So as per this one, so in the ML and AI applications also frequently using this kind of the containers and applications and microservices by using the microservices, right?
AI, ML has a dependency of Python. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Right. Python, we are going to develop with the help of CI/CD, with the help of Jenkins, and with the help of Jenkins, we are making the CI/CD on the Python and Java based applications. Okay, which we will deploy with the help of Docker into the Kubernetes environment.
Okay.
Means see, code will be always into the Python, Java, .NET, whatever it is, right? Has to be put into the Git or GitHub. Everyone agree?
Yeah, true.
Code has to be saved into the Git or GitHub. With the help of Git, it will be into the GitHub environment. It can be Java, it can be .NET, it can be Python, any of the code. After that, the build tool will come. Either it's an environment or either it's a build tool. With the help of that, it will get built. After the build has been generated, either you can take the help from the Jenkins or CI/CD, or you can do the testing, or you can deploy into the another environment. When the deployment will come, The infra will be required. Either you can take the infra from the cloud, you will install the software, like we install the Docker into the Google Cloud, right? You need an infra on the cloud with the open source tool. So it can be Docker, it can be Kubernetes. You can install into the cloud, and after that you will do the management, okay? Because you will not do all the activities manually always. You need some management tool like in Ansible and Terraform, which I will teach to you, so that automation will work. And then as soon as if it's working all good, the automatically the monitoring should happen. Then only this cycle will get complete, and I'm going to teach you all these things. If your question is related to the AI/ML only, I can say that yes, most of the cases it's a Kubernetes involvement.
Okay. Thank you for the info, Vikas, on this. Okay.
Are you
So
satisfied?
the final question on this one, Vikas. So after completion of this course, can we be able to make it as a more than 5 years of experience?
Obviously, yes, you can do it, because what I told, I will teach you virtual machine also, right? So that you can say that in my previous project we are using the virtual machine, in my current project we are using Docker. The last project 3 years, this project 2 years, 5 years. Right?
Okay.
And if
Thank you so
question-
much.
No, I will give one more answer. If you have a more expectation, okay, because this is a very common thing. So many students are asking this part. Okay, I will tell you one more thing. Yeah. Okay, if you have a 5+ year of experience, 10 years of experience, or more than that, okay, you just have to read some more little bit things. Okay, means white papers, documents, you have to read it, because no one is going to ask the ls command or docker commands, right? They will ask the processes with you. So the processes has to be written into this place. Okay, the white paper documents, I will give you this thing, because people will discuss about the disaster recovery with you, right? Because you have a 10 years of experience, right? So they will not ask a very straightforward question, they will ask a scenario based question with you. So all these things I am providing to you.
Okay, thank you, Vikas. Thank you for the info.
Cool, good. Yeah, thanks. Yeah. Next person, anyone else? Guys, go ahead. Take as the opportunity. Amit, Ankit, anyone? Ashwini, Atul, Bharat, anyone has any question?
Hello, Vikas.
Ganesh, switch on the camera. It will be good, man. It will be interactive. Yeah, Ganesh.
Yeah, I just wanted to know like what all topics will be covered inside the Kubernetes. Like,
okay,
do
cool.
we have
Then that's why I'm giving you very straightforward syllabus. Okay. If you will go here into the Kubernetes, where is the Kubernetes? Yeah. In the Kubernetes, first we will understand what exactly the container orchestration is. Okay. We will create a Kubernetes cluster. We will understand the architecture of Kubernetes and kubectl command. That is on the day number 33. Okay. After that, I will teach you what is pod. Okay. How to create a pod, what is deployment, how to create a deployment, what is service, how to create a service. Then on the Google Cloud, we will create first we will create a Windows local environment, okay, or with the help of Docker desktop, and then we will create a pod, we will create a service, we will create a load balancer, we will create a replica set, we will create a deployment on the Google Cloud. Okay, after that so many theory will be there, okay, plus so many different things. I will show the PPT, that will be more easy. Where is the Kubernetes? Yeah. Okay, I will quickly show everything, okay, so that you will get an idea quickly. By the way, tomorrow we are doing that Kubernetes, right? Can we make it par for tomorrow?
Yeah, it's okay. We can.
Okay. Yeah. See, I will tell you. Okay, very quickly. See, we will understand the architecture. We will understand the container orchestration, self-healing, automated, auto-scaling, load balancing. These are the automated features. I will explain to you. Cluster architecture. Okay. Cluster components, node components, control plane components, architecture, how the architecture flow has to be happen in the simplest way, how exactly it will look like. After that architecture or admin part, after the infra part, we will come into the admin part. Okay, that is pod, services, volume, namespace, kubectl command, advanced level kubectl command, pod. We will break the pod into multiple parts. We will understand how to create a pod, what is the configuration of the pod, services types, replicas, replication type, replication configuration, deployment type, stateful set, Netflix architecture or Netflix level use case we will take care. Okay, config map, job, secrets, persistence, how to do into the local environment, how to set up the things, Kubernetes overview onto the Google Cloud, how to create with the commands, how to create with the UI, deploying Nginx application, Apache application, Jenkins application, some cluster level configuration also, Kubernetes on manual environment. I will not do in front of you, but I will just give a high level. Okay, on the bare metal or on the infrastructure without cloud. Okay, this is how happen in the AWS, how it should happen. Okay, that also a step I will give it to you. Then we will understand this all things, the troubleshooting of problem related things related to the Kubernetes. Okay, and in future, not exactly, but yeah, in future we will go into the security part in advanced level of Kubernetes, alias I will give it to you for the experienced person, not for 2 years 5 years experience, doesn't require this all things. Okay, if 5 years experienced person understand this, he can ask 40 lakh package. Are you agree, Ganesh?
Yes, sir.
Is this enough or you want to learn more?
No, I just wanted to know the like content, like so like GKE also, like some part will be touched in GK.
No, GKE is completely completely. Okay, completely GKE we will touch AWS EKS. Okay, GKE completely, because I told Tesla is in Tesla is a Google Cloud.
Okay,
Okay,
that's it.
cool. Satisfied with my answer?
Yes.
Next person, please. Go ahead, guys. Take as the opportunity. Ask the questions. Personal questions, career guidance question, anything.
So, like in
Kalpesh,
comparison,
switch on the camera. Kalpesh, switch on the camera. It will be good. It will be more interactive. Yeah, Kalpesh.
yeah, so as comparison to other cloud, AWS is more popular and more people are using AWS.
Correct,
So
correct. More openings are also there.
yeah, so what is the main difference between both of them as a popularity?
Okay, which car is most popular in India? Tell me the answer.
I think AWS.
Car. I am asking about which car.
Actually, I don't have an idea about it.
Car.
But,
okay, bike. Tell me the bike. Which bike is very popular in India?
R5.
Give me the answer.
Yeah, R15 Duke.
Do R1, everyone has a R15?
Splendor.
Royal Enfield.
Huh? Splendor.
Yeah, Royal Enfield.
Royal Enfield.
Splendor.
Okay. Is everyone
Look
has a
at-
Royal Enfield? Is everyone has a Royal Enfield?
No, sir. Splendor.
Hero Honda Splendor.
Right? It's not, the answer will never complete it,
Vespa.
right? Based on the choice, based on the requirement, based on your budget, we will choose the bike, right?
Yeah.
For the cloud also, based on the budget, based on the choice, it will never get decided. Okay, if you will think that I will learn only Azure or I will learn only AWS, that's not a correct way. Okay,
Yeah, maybe, but there are like features, some features
okay,
are there.
every feature is good. Okay, everywhere all the features are very similar. Okay, but the answer is yes, AWS is very popular. AWS is very popular. Lot of openings are there, lot of companies are using it.
The background noise is there. I can't
Not
hear.
from my side. Amit, background noise is coming, and your hand is on the camera. Please make it properly. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So okay. Yeah. Thank
Okay.
you.
So see, I tell you, Google Cloud and AWS and Azure both are very popular. Okay. So 50% market is of AWS, 20-30% market is of Google Cloud, 20% 30% is market of AWS. Okay. And some more all other cloud, Alibaba, Oracle Cloud, all are 5% only.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool. Yeah. Next question. Anyone else?
Sir,
Go ahead. Gautam, switch on the camera, please. It will
my
be
laptop
good.
doesn't have
No
camera.
problem. Okay, no problem. Continue. Go ahead.
Sir, if we are creating a container, in normal virtual machine, we are configure the Apache Tomcat, we customize it. But in container level, we customize it, sir, in configurations.
See, container creation, to create a container, you have to write a Docker file. Okay. This is the Docker file. Okay. You have to write some set of commands into this place, and you will not directly create a container. You have to you have to build this code, then image will get created. When you run this image, container will get created. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Gautam, so don't say directly that you will create a container. No, you have to you have to build the code. We have to build the Docker file. Then only the image will get created. You will save the image into the Docker Hub, and then you can run this image and it will become a container. Then it will be a running application.
Oh, yes, sir. What are the customized parts you only write in Docker file?
Everything customization has to be written into the Docker file. Correct. Superb.
Okay, sir.
Cool. What else? Go ahead with the questions. All good? Anything else? Any other question?
Hello,
Go ahead,
Kalpesh is here.
Yeah, Kalpesh, go ahead.
Yeah, like we are deploying our Docker images and all that on a Kubernetes. Like I'm little unaware about Kubernetes. What
I
it
will teach. I will teach. Okay. If we have a less applications, 1 or 2 applications, we can deploy into the virtual machine, which we did today, right? If I have 100 of application, is that possible? I can deploy into this virtual machine? No, right? Then I will take the help from the Kubernetes. In the tomorrow class, I will deploy the application into the Kubernetes. Is that fine? We will do it in the tomorrow class.
Yeah. So in short, we can say to Kubernetes that it's one kind of server where we can deploy our number of applications there, and we can access it through the internet.
I agree. Yes, correct.
Right? Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
correct.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Cool. Good. Anyone else? Any other question? Yes, today recording we will share it. Okay, guys, to get a recording, please be available in one of the WhatsApp group. I will give you this WhatsApp community link. Okay, 1 second. Where is the link? Participation, invite group link. Okay, copy link. Guys, I'm giving you the link. Okay, please be in this community. Okay, and yes, we will give you the link into this link, this place. Is that fine? Cool. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please join this community. I already given this link. Please join it. Yes, some student has been joined. Please join this community. We will give the link into this community. Okay, and if you want to make any discussion, yes, my number is already there. Okay, in the website, anywhere. Okay, if you want to reach out to me anytime, okay, my number is already on my website. Okay, where it is on the last, you will see my number, Vikas, and Shikha number. Shikha is the HR. If any of the management related question, you can reach out to Shikha anytime. Okay, if you have any technical question, you can reach out to me. Cool.
Yes, sir. And sir, one more last question.
Go
Like
ahead.
for DevOps engineer, how long the CTC can go? Like above CR?
See, it depends how much is the experience. Okay, if you have a 10 years experience, you can ask 70-80 lakhs also, but that's a very high range. Okay, but 30-40 is very standard with 8 to 10 years experience. Freshers also 10 lakhs experience they are asking. I have a lot of freshers with the 1 year experience, 2 year experience. They're asking 10 lakh package. Okay,
Yeah.
I can show you. I can show that part in my batch 31. So many freshers are there. Okay, batch 31. Okay. Interview INTERVIEW. Okay. Normat PM. 1 second, let me show you. Little bit difficult to find out the 10 lakhs.
Yeah, sure. No problem, sir. Yeah, that's okay.
I will show somewhere 10 will be there. Okay, but 36 search are there.
I'm assuming that like in future, if I'll have a good expertise, don't know what will
See,
happen
it
in
depends. See,
future.
you will give the mock interview to me. I will give the answer that yes, you can ask this much. Okay, is that fine? Because
Yeah,
I will
sure.
tell to my student that you can ask this much based on your experience. That's it. Okay. Based on your experience, based on your answers, I will give the point that you can ask this much. But some companies, yeah.
Yeah, actually, I have jumped from developer to DevOps. I'm like,
then you can ask more also. Okay. You can ask whatever is your experience, 4x of your experience as well. If you have 5 year experience, 20, 25, 30, you can ask minimum.
I have just 2 years experience.
Then you can ask 10 plus also. Okay, if you are giving the good answers.
Yeah, and sir, I want to make the career in these DevOps, and I want to have a more expertise. So I don't know. That's my question will be silly, but after if I get more experience, can I go like above CR, like 5 CR, 10 CR? There are multiple packages.
You are talking. You are making the bad assumptions. Okay, don't say that 5 CR, 10 CR. Okay, wrong. Don't think all these things, please. Okay?
Yeah.
Because this is practical. Be into the practical way. You are talking about 5 CR package, right?
Yeah.
Wrong. Okay? Not possible. I can't take this responsibility. Okay?
No, in
Okay, if you
future.
will see, don't come to my batch also. If you will say, sir,
Yeah.
give me the job, give me a job of 5 crore, it will be a big problem for me. I will say,
For like 15 years, 20 years of
whatever
experience,
it is,
and
man,
then
I can't take 5 crore package. I can't get you the job for 5 crore. Okay?
no, like it happens sometime, or someone will
It
have
happens.
job.
It happens. Okay? But
Yeah.
no, man, it's not possible from my side. Okay? If you
Yeah, I
ask
know.
50 lakh
General way
package,
asking.
if you ask 50 lakh package, I can say yes at least. But 5 crore is not possible.
Just as an assumption, sir.
No assumptions, man. Wrong assumption. Okay. If any HR call you for the job and say that I need a 5 crore package, okay?
No, sir. No, not for future. If we are very expertise and we are very expert, then
5 CR is a very big amount, man. Okay. Not possible.
I have seen some people. They have like 3 CRs and like that.
That's okay. That's good. Okay. Discuss with them only. How they get it. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I have similar doubt. Firstly, I want to clear that
Pratik, switch on the camera. Switch on the camera. Okay. The
I'm
discussions
using
are going in a different way. Okay. Go
I'm
ahead.
using desktop computer, sir. It doesn't have webcam.
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay. Sir, I am from mechanical. I did mechanical engineering job for 2 years.
Okay.
Now, from last 2.5 years almost, I am working as Linux administrator in Mumbai-based company, and that paying very low. I am on 3 lakhs 3 LPIs package.
Okay.
So after completing this DevOps course, how much jump I can expect?
How much is your experience? How much is your overall experience?
Including mechanical, it is 4.5 years.
Then in minimum 10 to 15 you can ask. Okay, you can learn and you can ask, because in the IT for 4-year experience standard is 10. Okay, 10 or 12 minimum you can get it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, and is it really possible to jump from 3 to 10?
Possible. You have to ask 2 offers. Okay, one with 6 to 8 lakh LPA, and then you have to make one more offer of 12 lakhs. That's it. First you have to ask 100% hike, then you have to ask 50% hike. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Possible, man. Possible for you. Your assumptions are good. It is possible. Okay, and you can do it easily.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, good. Any other person? Any other question? Okay, guys. If nothing, let's park your question for the tomorrow at the end of the class. Okay, we'll discuss at the end. Yeah, at the end of the tomorrow class, also we'll discuss the same thing. Okay, but first 2 hours we will learn the Kubernetes. Okay, and then we will discuss any of the questions, whatever you have. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yep, I'm able to hear you. Yes, Jude.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm just making a request. I understand you said the recordings won't be available, but this class is a wonderful one. Could you please make the recording available for review?
We will give you the recording link. Okay, no worries. Okay.
All right. Thank you.
And just message you. I hope you are into my WhatsApp community. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
If you are in my WhatsApp community, within 2 hours, you will get a link into this place itself.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
How is your suggestion? You are able to understand my class?
Yes.
The way of delivery, how I'm giving the students answers, everything.
Fantastic.
Cool. And so many on-site students are also in my batch. Okay. So many. Okay. It's not like that only Indian students are there. So many on-site students are there. From which country you are, Jude?
Yeah, Nigeria. You remember we had the engagement the other day.
Okay, it means your full group is with me, right?
Yes.
I agree. Yes, full group is from the Nigeria. I know. Yes.
Yeah.
Cool. Good. Yep. Okay, guys. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Enjoy the day.
Thank you. Happy weekend. Tomorrow, same time, 11 a.m. IST, we will make the discussion on the Kubernetes. Okay?
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
The class link will be shared in same group, sir.
Same link. Everything will be same. There is no difference. Okay?
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye.